Welcome everybody. Let's start the show. Good morning. Good morning, or good evening for some of you. Hello there, everyone. All right, what a weekend. Bassam, hey, good morning. Yomar from work. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Cool. Have a good day in work. I wish you all the best. Oh, hey, Sabotage. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Rumor? I don't know. But thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Everyone like. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Andy Wilk. Hey, Mr. Andy Wilkisu. Sorry. Good morning. Green is here. Just entered the building. And behind him, you will win. Prop trading, copy trading. Let's go. Good morning from Germany. That's cool. From Germany, that is awesome. Mac, hey, the weekend was awesome. Yanix, it's always good to have you back. And Lab is back in the building. Welcome. Tim Trades following him. Dreamer from Hawaii. All right, Dreamer. Team Trades, good to see you. All right, it's good to start up the week. Full energetic. Hope everybody's rested up at the weekend. Kevin 8, hello. All is great. Kevin 8, all is great. Welcome to the building. All right, so what's happening here? What happened since the Sunday Open? Coop is here in the flesh. Okay. I'm afraid that, this move, well, this was like 400 points. I'm afraid that we could be seeing some more consolidation here in this London session, but we'll get through it. Bill Hohenst. Welcome, Bill Hohenst. And Alicia, a.k.a. The Disciplined Trader. Good morning. Hold on a second. I have to start Quant Tower. I haven't started Quant Tower. Quant Tower. Let's start up Quant Tower. Content Hunter in the flesh. Hey. What's up? What's up? Zacromonster. How was the weekend? Good to see you, man. Zacromonster. Parminder. Hey, good morning. You know, I was thinking about the name Parminder. Like, where did I hear that name Parminder? And it got to me, like, I'm not sure if it's from there or not, or you're using the I don't know, but I think I heard it in Deadpool. In the Deadpool movie, the taxi driver guy was having the name Parminder, right? I think. I was thinking about it last week, by the way. I couldn't sleep. I swear I had like really sleepless nights over the weekend. Like, where is Parminder name comes from? Where did I hear that? But I heard it in Deadpool. I think. Good morning, George. George Caravias, welcome to the channel. All good? Ready to slay the market? Oh yeah, we're gonna do it together. We're gonna do it together, Zacromancer. Good to see you here. Hey, Jonathan. Methodical man looking for me. 12-hour stream. Nice. We should do that. We should do that. Good morning. Cavlo, good morning. No, I'm not short. I'm not short. I'm just gonna line up what's happening in the Asia lows, Asia highs. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, bopping. Oh, I didn't know that. Sorry. It hurt. I heard. I remember. I heard it like Parminder, Bopender. Okay, sorry. My mistake then. Boom banana. Hey, good morning. 520 level from Wednesday level was an amazing bounce. No, I think I didn't. I think I did not. Yeah, I didn't do anything on the PM session, so I didn't have that level. Hey, thank you, Lab. Thank you for the support. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone using the best code out there. Well, at least one of the best, but it gives you much more luck than others. Pass-through rate at prop firms with the code TOMSABO is actually tremendously high. It has been confirmed. Okay. Let's go with the Asia lows and the highs. Okay, let's set in those levels. I would say this could be the Asia low. That's an easy one. And this would be the Asia high here, right? Oops. Not this one. Most likely this one. Asia high. Okay, let's put in this one. Good morning from Greece. Hey, Nikos. Nikos Loco. Personally, from Greece. Hey. That's a beautiful country, man. Beautiful. Love Greece. All right. Nikos, I'm doing awesome. Had a great weekend. So it was great. Yeah, that's the code to fast pass to getting funded. Exactly, Zacromonster. Going back to the bottom of the big green candle. Yeah, I think so. I mean, there's definitely lots of liquidity resting down there. So we have a sell side liquidity level at 492, which is a 15-minute level. We do have a 482, but the closer one is the 15-minute. Obviously, you have an hourly level as well, so I'm just gonna put in some sell side levels here if this one wants to sell off. And these are the things that we have right now. And what else do we have? What else do we have? Okay, okay. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Hold on, let me check something. I'm just checking something real quick. No entry right now, don't worry. Okay, checked it. So let's look for some zones on the 5 and the 15-minute chart. There is one here. The only problem with this one, starting at 543, is that it's quite close. No major liquidity delivery has happened before that. Technically, price is just, you know, stuck in a range or going to stuck in a range. There's some trend line liquidity that seem to be breaking. I'm not sure. Could be going higher to Asia high. Actually, if we look at it closer, I'm not using trend lines, by the way. I'm just saying that there is something there. I have to check it on the mini too. Yeah, it's there. So there is a now this here is a 15-minute bearish order block. I know it seems crazy, but it is. I feel like it might want to break that level. How far it is it? 60, 74. That's like 15 points higher I do believe it could continue. I think the drawn liquidity could still be higher at 74. Could be picking up liquidity, especially after this trend line break, but otherwise, I don't see anything else. Maybe I can scalp it, you know. Why not? Why not just scalp it a little bit? Just a little bit. You know, go for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. All right, entered into a scalp position. Nothing fancy. I would be targeting 74. This is going to be my morning probe trade. Actually, 73.75, and we'll see where it goes. Otherwise, it's all good. So I'm just kind of curious what it wants to do. Hey, 12-hour stream. Dude, that is cool. Oh yeah, Jonathan just told me. I don't know. I mean, we can do that. I just don't know about the camera. I don't know if we can do it on the camera. Hey, Martin, good morning. Abhishek, hey, good morning. Let me try it on Discord. Just voice? Okay. Because the camera, I don't know why is that. I guess I have to do something with the I have to do something with the settings. Here it goes. Hey, Myth, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Tom answers.
I answered you. Can you hear me now? Hello.
Answer, Tom.
I answered.
Oh, did you answer? Here?
Hey, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, he did answer. I don't hear him.
You didn't hear me.
Hold on, Tom. Let me turn on my headphones on voice.
All right. Thank you
Sure
thank you, Yours, for subscribing.
Oh, input device. No, output. Yeah, it's showing. I've got the right stuff.
Hold on. Let me. Maybe I'm having the wrong
Check
setup.
and see if you got me muted on voice there, Tom.
I don't have you muted, but I'm gonna check it. Microphone test. Microphone testing. Okay, there's an issue. Microphone testing. Microphone. Oh, can you hear me now? Hello.
Okay, I hear you now.
You can hear me now, right?
Yes, I hear you.
You hear me? Okay, perfect.
Hey, perfecto.
Perfecto. Buongiorno. Yeah.
Buongiorno, Tom.
Buongiorno. What's happening?
Not much. Just a nice early stream for me.
Early stream.
We're just trying to rock out the 12-hour stream today.
Yeah. Well, I'm just, trying to figure out where this market is really going or what is happening here. It's the problem is after that 400 points of movement, I'm just like, we could be just having a sideways action here in London. Who knows?
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm looking, we just broke structure on the 5.
On the 5.
Kind of missed the entry. I'm looking for longs, but maybe one more sweep down, I guess, at open, potentially. And then push up, but could push up first, who knows, right?
Yeah, I just opened up a small position to scalp this one to 74. I see my favorite order blocks on Well, it's a very it's not a beautiful one, but I see an order block on this bearish pin bar on the 15-minute chart, starting around 574. So I was just thinking that maybe it wants to slowly grind up there to hit that 574. Yeah. So I just took that long position right now.
I think that's reasonable.
Yeah. So where is my position, by the way? Oh yeah, here it is. So
what'd you do this weekend?
Well, I was sleeping a lot, as much as I could, because usually during the week I just can't sleep, but on the weekend I take my pills and I go to sleep, you know. No, I'm not taking any pills. No.
You got those? You still taking those horse pills?
I take those, yeah, as much as I can. Yeah. So yeah, I take those. I took a nice nap during the day. No, actually no, but yeah, I did sleep a lot. I mean, yeah, I tried to. And otherwise, what else did I do? Not much really. Oh yeah, I had to take the fiance, the future wife. I have to take her to the shops again to buy some new clothes, you know. But it's easy for me because I just sit down, have a coffee, and she goes around the place like for 3 hours, and I'm just waiting, you know. That's
yeah. I try to do the same thing. It's so funny how that happens. So like, shopping is not my favorite thing in the world.
I hate it. I hate it. That's my nemesis, actually. But you know, I showed it in one video that we used to go into that outlet. We have this outlet here next to Budapest, and it's actually a little bit cheaper than. I mean, good. There's a lot of good stuff there. A little bit cheaper than in the main shops in the city. So it's a very big place, and there's like I can sit down, have a coffee, have a donut, you know, whatever. And then she can just, you know, walk around all those places, all the boutiques or whatever how it's called in English. So she can try all the clothes and jewelry and all that stuff. I don't even care what she does. She just walks around, and I'm just sitting at the coffee shop and, you know, I don't know, reading Twitter or something. So it takes about 2 or 3 hours, or at least, maybe more.
Right. Yeah, fun times though, right?
Fun absolutely fun times. Oh, I love it, man. Yeah, fun times. Obviously, I have to give my debit card to her, so I know it's over. So anyway, then it's easier.
You mean she doesn't have her own money in her own
Oh,
account?
she has, but you know, this is a secret, but her birthday is gonna be tomorrow. Sorry, no, on Wednesday. She's gonna have a birthday on Wednesday. So
nice.
I told her that, okay, here's my card, you know, be reasonable, please. Buy whatever you like. So basically, this is what happens. But you know, actually, you know, the problem is that she knows how this business is run. So the problem is when I tell her, like, listen, honey, like, you know, this piece here is a little bit expensive. You know, it's like $70 or $100 for this piece. I mean, it's a little bit. And you know, the first thing she says is like, oh, don't get me on that. You just spent $200 on those evaluation accounts, so don't get me on that. So I'm done. Basically, she knows how it works. Yeah.
Tom, you got to tighten up the lips. You can't be telling her what.
I know, because you know, she asked last time. Okay, tell me how much you spent on those funded accounts again last month. And I told her, like, listen, this is part of business. And she keep asking, like, come on, tell me how much you spent on those accounts. And I said, well, you know, I spent like $2,000. What? And she was like, what? And so
somebody.
Yeah.
Oh, I was just going to say, somebody said it's a bank holiday in the UK. Is that right?
I don't know. Is it a bank holiday? Oh, it is. Someone said it is. It is. It is a bank holiday. Yeah, it is. So anyway, long story short, I have no excuse. And I told her, no problem. Use my card and buy something nice. And that's it.
Yeah. Crystal's birthday was Saturday. So we went shopping on Friday, and yeah.
I mean, you know how it is. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. You know, I just sit for 3 hours straight at least, and maybe walk around, but that's it. And by the time she gets back, I mean, that's how it goes.
The funny thing is, she knows I hate shopping, so she doesn't. You know, she don't keep me out too long.
But that's good for you. That's good for me.
Yeah, a
It's not.
couple hours.
Couple of hours.
Well,
That's good.
yeah, we took the 2-year-old with us too. So you
Wow.
got the 2-year-old with you shopping. You know, it makes it a little. Tom doesn't know anything about that yet.
I'm still living
Maybe
in my
one day.
20s. You know, that's why I'm
I
still.
know.
Yeah.
I didn't know that Budapest was such a party central,
It is.
area.
It is. Yeah. Yeah.
Now some of the older stories that I know about Tom are beginning to make sense.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Yeah. Some
So
of the older stuff that I've been told.
you know that movie? Maybe you know that it's called. I know the Hungarian name. The original title is Whole Pass. I think that's the name. Whole Pass.
Yeah.
Okay.
That movie's hilarious.
Okay, so we should do a Whole Pass or something. How about that? You come to Budapest. I try to get my Whole Pass as well, and we're gonna get away for the weekend. How about that? I know some places to go to. Huh?
Tom, are you trying to get me murdered?
No.
My girlfriend might be listening right here.
Okay. Nothing about that. Nothing.
She will kill you and me.
Oh my gosh! But first, she will kill you. That's it.
Yeah, probably. She'll kill me, and then she'll kill you for suggesting that. No, that movie is hilarious. We probably have similar results to
100%, 100%. That's why I was saying I think we would be having 100% the same results as those guys did. So exactly.
Tom's over there doing the fake chow. You remember that? The fake chow?
Fake chow.
That movie?
Oh, I mean the Hangover movie. That's what you're saying?
No, the Hall Pass.
The Hall Pass I know, but it was that in Hall Pass? Fake chow?
Yeah, fake chow.
I don't know. I mean,
I have to look it up. I don't want to go too deep into it here.
Hold on.
The fake chow. Somebody tell him what the fake chow is.
Hold on. I'm just searching for it on Google because maybe that's different in Hungarian. Fake chow thing. Okay. You have it. That is awesome. Yeah, I remember.
All right, let me see here. I'm going to start a little poll over here. Got to start a poll. Let's get the question correct. So what do you typically look for, Tom, during this time of night or day for you?
Well, usually I go with the oldest thing that is possible, which is basically looking for Asia highs and lows to be cracked. That's the first thing I'm looking for, and that's it. And if any of those levels, Asia highs and lows, are cracked, then I might be looking for a continuation if there is an order block below or above. And most likely that's it. So nothing fancy, especially if the range is somewhat tight. Like for example, my Asia high is at 597, my Asia low is at 518. So the distance is like almost 80 points, which is not a lot, even according to London standards. So right now, Asia high or Asia low could be a good target. I really wanted to go for this 15-minute order block at 574, but price is just acting up right now. I don't know what the hell is going on, but anyway, doesn't really matter. It's just my Monday morning
looking,
pro trade.
You're looking for the demand zones and the order blocks just only on the 5-minute?
5, 15. Not really looking at the 30. Some people on chat were asking me, why didn't you look at the 30-minute chart? And I have no answer to that. Honestly, that's the only question. I have absolutely no answer. I just never really looked at the 30-minute chart in the past like 4 years. I don't know. I'm just not looking at the 30-minute chart. So anywhere like on the 5, the 15, sometimes even the 1-minute chart can give you a very nice order block if there is reasonable movement. But yeah, most likely 5 and the 15. Yeah, even the 1 hour can be good. Yeah.
Zach says his speakers are on real loud over there. We're gonna get him murdered too.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Well, we're all gonna get murdered. Yeah.
Yeah, on the hourly, I was looking at, well, actually the 15-minute. We have that 15-minute fair value gap down at like 490.
Mm-hmm.
It hasn't been balanced yet.
Yeah,
So I was kind of
490. Yeah,
thinking of maybe a sweep into that level and then a push up.
could be.
Obviously, we're already in an hourly gap here. So
Yeah, we picked up liquidity on the hourly, but you know that was basically hold on. I mean, that was let's see, the Sunday. Yeah, that was on Friday basically. So since Friday, yeah, there was a bit of a dip here at the Sunday open. It hasn't really did anything special. So it can still go down and pick up liquidity below the 490. I have a level at 492.25 on the micro. So anywhere down from the 490s, that could be a good target. Yeah, to pick up some
I'm
liquidity.
thinking if we could sweep that low down there, then that 507 wick, if you can sweep it and create a swing there, it would then be protected and we'd have to make a new high first before we kind of come back to it.
Yeah.
But I don't know. That's what I'm kind of thinking is maybe one more sweep lower, but we might tag that 574 area first.
Yeah.
So you do think that that's a decent target to the upside?
Absolutely. And by the way, just an interesting information, or I would say piece of information for London sessions. I mean, it's not always working out, but if we go back to Friday for 10 a.m., I don't know what was in 10 a.m. There was some news release or whatever that drove the market.
That was Papa Powell.
Papa Powell, yeah. So Papa Powell started to speak. Anyway, if we go to the 1-minute chart, at 10 a.m., we're going to see a liquidity void at 269 down to 265. Yep. Now, that liquidity void, maybe not now in this London session, but that is going to be significant. I always leave those on and try to mark them, because if this goes for a sell-off, that's definitely a nice target. So I know it's too far away and I know it's way down there, but that's what I'm saying. It might not gonna happen today. Maybe it's gonna happen on Friday or Thursday, maybe even next week. But that's definitely somewhat significant. I think there's a lot of liquidity or orders stuck below that 260-ish or 70-ish level. So who knows? And by the way, that's also a textbook perfect order block on the 5-minute as well, which I love. So
yeah, my thought process there is I think ES takes the all-time high at 6508 and NASDAQ maybe does not, and we get a bit of a correction lower.
Yeah.
And then we feel that. But I think until ES takes the all-time high, I think we're going to just grind higher.
Yeah, you know, I think I agree with you on that ES wants to push this at least one more time to a new all-time high. And until it does that, and you know, we're sitting around this 6,500 area, which is a psychological number, so I think it wants to push it one more time. NQ is just going to ride shotgun and might going to follow higher. Who knows?
Yeah, it's kind of what I'm thinking. It's going to drag us up, but that's what I'm doing. I'm looking for spots to get long. I'm going to try to be a little bit patient with it, you know, not be as aggressive as you guys have seen me be before. Let's, you know, wait for spots that make sense. So Tom's in 30 micros over there.
Yeah. 30 micros. Yeah.
30 micros.
I have 6 micros right now in this trade. So we'll see how it goes. Not a big deal.
So how are you determining where you put your stop on that trade? I see you got it at 549.
Well, there's a short explanation. The short explanation is I put the stop where I feel it would hurt my feelings. So if I put it to like my stop is right now at 549.75. Obviously, it has to do with the risk as well. But if I would see this go below the 550s, obviously that would be hurtful a little bit. So I just don't want to see it go below there. But otherwise, I'm just looking for some decent swing highs and swing lows, even on the 1 or the 5 minute, and that's it. And trying to combine it with that feeling like where would it hurt me emotionally to see it go. And if it would go below like 549, that's fine. It's all right. I can take that, but I just don't want to be in that. Right? Yeah, it's gonna take me out now. So I just don't want to be in that trade on lower levels.
Do you know what is at 552?
552. Yeah. Hold on. 552. What's at 552?
You may have to look at your trading view.
I'm looking at trading view.
Are you?
Yeah, this is trading view. What's at 552?
It's a word that I try to get you to say quite often.
Oh, the volume weighted average price? Is it there?
No. That's not what it's called.
It's called volume weighted average price, right?
The VWAP.
Oh, so the volume weighted average price. I know. I'm never gonna walk into that trap again. You know.
Never. He's too smart.
I'm too smart now. I'm not doing that. No.
Knows what not to do.
World Kingpin.
Somebody asked, why can't you use the discount code in TRADEIFY?
Yeah. I have the same question. I don't know why.
World King. I mean, you can still give credit to someone by using their link and the stock code. I don't know why they made it to where that code doesn't just work using the custom code, but that's what they did. So
what? The TRADEIFY stopped with the codes?
So they have a 40% off sale that ends tonight at midnight Eastern.
Oh, with the basic code. Only with the basic code.
Yeah, so what you got to do is you have to use the stock code.
That's AUG for August. OG.
No, it's the number 1 and year.
Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Why they can't do it on anyway? They could do it. I don't know why they don't do it.
I'll be right back, Tom. Hold on.
All right. All right. So that must have been because so TRADEIFY use it differently. But anyway, if you still would like to support your favorite streamer, wink. But yeah, you need to click on the link and use the basic code. Basically. Yeah, so I don't know why it's not working. Hey Malo, good to see you. Content Hunter. I'm still in the position, but it's not looking good, to be honest. It's not. It was intended to be a scalp position to go up to the 15-minute order block, but it seems like it just wants to sweep more liquidity below the 550s. It doesn't matter. It's just a small position, not a big one. So still in, but I don't like it. I wanted to go for that. Let me show you on the 15-minute. I wanted to go for this pin bar right there because price went to sweep these lows like this one. That was a nice reversal here, slowly grinding back higher. So I thought that at least it will try to mitigate that order block on the 15-minute at 574, but it's just not happening right now, and so it might just want to sweep more liquidity. Who knows? It is what it is. We just have to accept it and move on. So if it's not doing it, yeah, maybe Jonathan, maybe, yeah. YM, thanks for being here. Have a good sleep. See you next time. It's gonna sweep and go up, maybe. Well, you know, I was just reading again, Boom Banana. I was reading Mark Douglas again yesterday, The Disciplined Trader, and I just reminded myself that I'm perfectly fine with this loss. So I predetermined the risk. If it takes me out, it's super awesome. I made peace with the outcome. I always need to remind myself, and it's just gonna be what it is. So I'm okay. I'm gonna take the full stop on this. I'm not gonna mess around. Usually when I close the trade here at this level manually, then it goes to my original take profit level, and then I go to like a FOMO feeling, and the FOMO leads to a tilt session. Maybe not now, but later. So I'm just rather take the full stop. No problem with this. Sorry if I forgot to say hello to some of you. Abhishek, I good to see you. I think I said hello, right? I hope.
All right, Tom, we're back.
Oh, you're back. Where have you been, man?
I had to go brush my teeth.
Okay, please call the market makers that this one has to go higher. Okay.
Okay. Where's your Tom? You still rocking that old phone?
Yeah, I do.
Oh wait, that one. You don't have the flip phone. That was Yoma.
No, I also have a flip phone, by the way. I have an Ericsson T28, by the way. Just saying.
Nice.
Yeah. Real vintage.
I don't know what that is.
It's great. All right.
I don't know what an Ericsson T28 is. You'll have to show me.
Oh, sure. Of course you do, man.
Oh, you got your BMW still. It has that phone in a bag, doesn't it?
This one doesn't, but it has the, it has the stuff for it. So the owner, the owner who actually ordered this car when it was new, he didn't order the phone, but actually there's the placement for it. I can put in the back phone if I want to.
I knew that Tom was putting a stop just below the VWAP on purpose.
On the volume weighted average price. Below that.
Just below there.
My stop is at 49.75. I have a feeling that it's just gonna take me out there because it just wants to go lower, but it's fine. It's cool. If it takes me out, obviously I will be looking at, most likely it's going to take me out, it's just 2 points away. Obviously I'll be looking at that Asia low. I might even give a second chance for this trade if it takes me out. So I might give a second chance for this.
So how do you mark out your Asia? Are you doing just 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. or
basically
what?
I'm
Midnight?
using, so many people saying like, why not using the 6 p.m. reset time? Well, usually because the Tokyo and Sydney open, around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. So I like to use the 8 p.m. Eastern Standard time. If I find anything sort of a swing high or swing low, even on the 1 minute chart, I use it as an Asia high and Asia low. That's it. So right now, the Asia high for me happened at 5 minutes after 8 p.m. So
right,
that's it. So I could use the previous one at 610. I think it's 597. That's what I would go with, basically. Oh.
I tend to agree. I use the 8 o'clock as well.
Yeah. Also, if for example, like the Sydney Open at 8 p.m., if there's a spike just a few minutes before 8, I can use that too. For example, at 7:55, there's a swing high. I'm gonna use that as an Asia high or Asia low, whatever. So, yeah, a few minutes is still all right. Okay, I got taken out from the position.
Francisco says Ericsson T28 was the best phone of all time.
I know, right? I know. Exactly.
The best.
The best.
Can't argue with that. I have no idea what it looks like, but I'll have to look it up. Let me see.
Yeah, believe it or not, true story. Back in the early 2000s, I was collecting those phones. I had 10 Ericsson T28s. 10. 10 of those.
It kind of reminds me of like the Nokia, the old brick Nokia.
Yeah. Actually, I found my Ericsson T28s in a box at our family home a few years ago. I was like, oh my god, I still have these phones. So what I did, obviously the battery was not working anymore, but obviously they were in very good conditions. So I took them to a pawn shop or whatever it's called, most likely a guy who works with electronics and phones and everything. And it was like a few years ago. I was like financially broke, so I just sold some some junk from home, and for those 10 Ericsson T28s, I got $150, and they were basically dead battery, all of them. $150 for those dead phones. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
So we're just sweeping that low after midnight, the
Yeah.
low after midnight. So
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah.
we regain kind of that 550 area here with some momentum. I mean, you could maybe stab for a little scalp.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for now. I don't see. I mean, yeah, we have the Asia low, which is somewhat very close. But I just don't have anything to go with right now. So
yeah, I'm thinking of maybe longing off either the 520 level or 507.
yeah, I still like the idea to go long. So if it's gonna take out the Asia low, maybe the 507. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna look for somewhat the reversal, or as a second chance. I mean, there's a fair value gap on the 1 minute at 547 and also at 549. If I see an up close candle somewhere above the 550, I might be a little bit super aggressive and use it as an inversion to go long again, and consider this as a liquidity sweep, and then maybe go again for that 574. But I don't know. We'll see.
What do we got? We got like 20 minutes here until the open.
Yeah. I mean, London Open is technically not happening, but actually Frankfurt is open. What else do we have? I think some liquidity should be hitting the market around 4 a.m. Sorry, what's not 4 a.m. 3 a.m.
3 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
So you don't think it'll be because of the UK bank holiday?
Yeah, it's not much is gonna happen, but obviously it could be vice versa because the market just does whatever it wants. I was surprised that around Christmas the market was moving better than on a normal news day. So
I don't know. I don't know. I didn't trade very well in December.
Hey Farhad,
I haven't done all that well this month either, or this year.
Yeah.
A little bit of a struggle, but it's just a mental thing. It's not necessarily the setups.
Yeah, I mean, I also have a bit of a struggle. I had my best 3 months from May, June, July were my absolute best months ever since I'm trading. This month, August, is absolutely a struggle for me. I get a bit of a payout, like $3,000 from trading, but the problem is I kept blowing up funded accounts and evals left and right. I just don't know what's happening, and I don't know. I currently basically almost none of my funded accounts are getting close to payout, so most likely it's going to be September earliest.
Yeah,
but
I'm pretty close on a few accounts. I've got my TRADEIFY, my FUNDINGTICKS, very, very close to payout. Bulenox is pretty close. I'm working on the MyFundedFutures account, but unfortunately I hit a daily loss limit on it one day last week.
I had the MyFundedFutures account ready for a payout last week. I could just request a payout, but instead I blew it up. So I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Something is off, but I mean I know it's a mental.
You're too rich.
Yeah,
you're just too rich.
Too much money. Yeah, it's basically
too much money.
It's a mental issue. Yeah, it's definitely a psychological stuff that I need to get over with. But I was a little bit up and down mentally this month, and
that's what I tell people. It's like if you've backtested a strategy and you know that it works,
yeah,
70% of the time or even 65% of the time. The struggle is when it doesn't work, not taking anything else.
Yeah.
Right, and just wait to the next day on that particular account. That's kind of the struggle.
Exactly.
If you have that mental ability to just wait and just take the trade the next day, knowing that it has a great win rate, then you're going to be far better off. Because the likelihood of that trade losing 3-4 days in a row is very, very low.
Exactly. And by the way, that's good that you're saying, because, and this goes for everybody. If you're blowing up, if you're consistently losing 3 days in a row and you're blowing up that account, let it be an eval or a funded account, that's not the market. That's not the market, and that's not the strategy, by the way. Yeah, that's the only information I'm 100% sure, and that's what happened to me as well. I was keep losing for 3 days exactly, or maybe 4 days in a row. I just keep losing, like, okay, something is off. That's when I knew, okay, it's me. It's not the market, it's not the edge, it's not the strategy. I'm doing something stupid. So yeah, and I did.
So Tom, I wanted to mention.
Yeah.
So my poll says, how much is Tom's bathwater worth?
Okay, it's
They have 2 options. Option number 1 is worthless.
Worthless.
Option number 2 is $100. And right now, 23% of people would pay $100.
23. Okay, that's good to know. The real price is actually $79.99. So the actual retail
Wholesale.
price. Yeah, that's the wholesale. If you want to hit an affiliate deal with me, just hit me up on my email. I can give you a 20% discount. I mean, as a commission, if you guys want to resell my bathwater. So otherwise, it's $79.99. So it's a good price.
Kevin said, "How much? But how much would Barbie pay?"
For her, it's always free for her. Oh my gosh, can we cut this out? Of course.
I'm actually going to be streaming with Barbie tomorrow.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah,
nice.
We're going to do a little joint action.
Nice.
So I'll ask Barbie while I'm live with her, how much would she pay?
You're almost going to be like a resident host now at MyFundedTV. How's it? Or I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, just joining whenever I can, you know.
Oh, definitely.
Whenever the neighbor's grass needs to be cut, then I just pop in there.
Oh, definitely. I'm not really sure. I just got a message from Terry over the weekend. Because she goes to the BDH for a little bit. You know, you might have heard that.
Right.
And so she was asking me if I can cover her for that week on the 9:30 open or 9-hour start. And I was like, yeah, sure, absolutely. So I'll be with Barbie and Nick. It seems like it. So it will be fun.
Yeah, that'll be interesting to see Terry at the BDH. We'll see how she does. We'll be pulling for her.
Oh yeah.
So potential to win $25,000 is pretty big.
We're gonna take some bets. That's what we're gonna do.
What do you think? Are you on? Are you on? Rena, I think is her name. Is her name Rena?
No, definitely Terry. Absolutely Terry. Of course.
Terry.
Yeah. Martin, good to see you. Hey, good morning. And good morning to everyone. I forgot to say hello. Hey, Kelly, good morning.
Yeah, we'll see how she does. Do you know the dates on that yet? Because I don't think they've announced it.
So far it seems like the end of September. That's all I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was interested in going to the BDH at one point in time, but I'm not sure if that'll happen yet or not. We'll see eventually.
I think it will happen. I think it will.
I do have a contact that I could reach out to get in touch with Patrick, but I don't know. It's one of those things, you know what I mean? You don't want to ask people for favors. So
yeah.
Slow boy in the house, Neo Rock Driller. Rock Driller said, "We love you, Tom."
Hey,
and he blew you a kiss.
Oh, I love you too. I love everybody.
Maybe I added the kiss part, but still.
Oh, you added? Okay. That's fine too. Green, Terry, there's no exact date yet. It's just seems like that at the end of September. That's all we know. The last week of September, something like that. They don't really know yet.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'll definitely pay attention to that and watch it.
I saw the I guess most of you guys did. I saw the picture, the MyFundedFutures gathering where Patrick was also attended to. That was like a nice little picture there.
The $12 million picture?
The $12 million. Yeah, the $12 million picture. I don't know if Patrick was trolling or he did really make some kind of a big deal, but I highly doubt that he made the 12 million. But I think he was trolling.
Yeah, I kind of feel like he does too, but I don't know. What's BDH? Tom, what does BDH stand for?
I can't say it out loud. My stream is for kids as well, so you have to say it.
Big Cock House.
Javier, welcome. Thanks for joining.
It's the best I can do. You have to replace the C with the D. What up, Woodchip?
Yeah.
That's all you can do.
I mean, by the way, last time when Patrick was trolling that he got $1 million from Matthew, I mean, they said it's not true. He was just trolling. He didn't receive money from. He just received a special discount for his code for that time. But
can you talk about funded ticks, Tom?
Funded ticks. Don't know too much about funded ticks, to be honest. I know everybody was jumping on the bandwagon just like I did, so I started out with them as well. But otherwise, I'm pretty much new with them, so I don't really know too much. I think that they are based. Is that true that they based in? I mean, outside of the U.S., like in Dubai or somewhere? I'm not sure. I mean,
I think so. They're not a new prop firm.
Yeah, because funding pips are in the business since like quite a few years ago. Yeah, so the mother company is basically in Forex prop space, and they are doing business since like 5 or 6 years now. And so far they paid out a lot of people. That's all I know. So they stepped into the futures just like Funded Next. That's all I know, and that they're based in Dubai, I think, and that's it. So, not much.
I do have a Funded Ticks funded account.
I don't have
that. I'm up about $1,000 on.
Oh, you have? Nice.
Yeah, but I'm not sure of the payout rules, to be honest with you.
You got it. Is asking, is there a cap on withdrawals at Funded Ticks? I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know. I really haven't really dived into the details yet, to be honest. I'm focusing on other accounts, but do you know about this myth? Like, is there a cap on the withdrawals?
Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know whether they are. I'll look into it in just a minute.
The thing is, like, the question is good, but the thing is, whenever I see $1,000 or $1,500, whatever, I just take it. So I know everybody's asking, like, and everybody wants to make 10K on the first payout, but, and I'm not saying this with a negative approach or whatever, but let's just be realistic and realistic expectations. If you make it to that first payout, especially if you're not a super pro trader yet, if you make it to the first payout, and if you can take out $1,000 or $1,500, $1,200, whatever, take that money out, and that's it. And I'm sure that most of these props are letting you take out that $1,000 or $1,500, so no issue about that. I never really check the withdrawal cap at first, but obviously it's a good question, but I don't know how much is that. I don't know.
I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna look here. Hey, I was gonna tell you though, someone in my chat said that there's rumors on Wall Street that TOMSABO will later do a giveaway. You can either win a 50K fast track trading account or a 100K flexi trade.
Yeah. So none of the flexi trade or the fast track accounts can work, but I do have a few profit trade accounts left to give away. So Profit Trade is a very trustworthy prop firm, almost brand new. So we have those accounts for giveaway. Yeah.
Okay, so each account for Funding Ticks has a different cap on it.
Oh yeah.
So I have the Pro Plus account.
Mm-hmm.
The minimum reward amount for a Pro Plus account is, the minimum is 500, and the maximum is 2,000.
Yeah, I have Kelly here in the chat saying that 5K payout cap every 5 days.
It might be. I think it depends on the type of account.
Yeah. You can withdraw 60% of your profits up to 5K with 90.
Okay, see that now. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Dexter. All right.
Option 2 requests 60% of profits up to 1K per account. So it is a 5K, 1,000 reward cap. If you made profit of 2,000, you request up to the reward cap which is $1,000. The remaining $1,000 will stay into your account. So when you sign up for the service, when you sign up for the account, I think you choose either the 5K or the 1K.
Hmm.
It depends. The 5K is a little more expensive than the 1K. So I do think that I chose the 1K. And if I'm at $1,000, that means I could take out $500.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah. Something like that.
So why would I want to? I mean, I don't know. That seems to be a little, why would you want to do that? Yeah, there's a lot of different account types. I think that depends on what happens there.
And there's so many things happening, and obviously all these prop deals have all these different rules and caps and details. So so obviously I have to look into it as well. But since I'm just jumping into it, I haven't really checked all the details. Currently, I'm pretty much focused on the new MyFundedFutures account and the Take Profit Trader accounts. That's my priority right now.
Well, I think that's the best deals right now in the market. I mean, definitely MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. I think TRADEIDAY's trailing very close behind with that $59 all-in account.
TRADEDAY is definitely got much juicier right now, that you can have more funded accounts, and the daily payouts also working there. So that's a good thing.
And then you got your old, your old cornerstones, Apex and Bulenox. It's really up to you. A lot of options in the market nowadays for the traders. If there's a prop that you don't like, you certainly don't have to go with them, because you got several options.
Kelly is asking, you guys don't think Patrick Wheeland has 12 million deal with MyFundedFutures? Thinks that's a joke or what? I don't know if it's a joke. Last time he announced that he got $1 million, it has been confirmed that it was not true. It was a joke. So is MyFundedFutures paying him 12 million? I'm gonna give you, that's just my honest personal opinion. I don't believe that. I think he's trolling as usual because he needs the hype, and obviously it's a good attention seeking thing. I don't think that he's getting 12 million, but if he does, congratulations to him. That's good for him. Obviously, he grinded a lot to get to the top, so good for him. That's all I can tell, but I don't think it's true.
Yeah, and you got to understand, Kelly, that's not only good publicity for Patrick, but it's also good publicity for MyFundedFutures.
Exactly.
No news is bad news, kind of deal, unless you're shutting down shop.
And even fake news is driving more attention nowadays. So yeah. So it's kind of a guerrilla marketing, I've been told. So I guess I was just kind of curious, like what I'm curious if maybe Matt Leach is gonna say something about it, or anyone from MyFundedFutures. Nobody's saying anything, which is kind of the thing. Like they want to see the attention that this drives to their company. So true or not, we don't know. In my personal opinion, I don't think it's true, but it's definitely a good marketing technique. That's 100% sure. Yeah.
The bathwater poll is coming back, Tom. You're up to 43%.
Nice.
Worth $100. 43% say it's worth $100.
Nice. Yeah, that's
C-note.
As I said, if anyone wants to partner up, it's $79.99. I give you 20% commission as an affiliate, so we can talk business. It will be a great business deal. I'm telling you guys.
Yeah, code MM gets it for $79.99.
Exactly. We're going down to 518, man. Are we going down?
Looking. Yeah, I'm watching ES here. I actually want to see ES sweep the 67. 64, 67 potentially. It may not make it that far.
This one
a recovery of 74. Yeah, recovery of 74 on ES, I think, is going to be my long trigger here.
Huh. Interesting.
Do you ever use the ES to kind of structure your trades on NASDAQ? That's what I do sometimes. Because like NASDAQ's running the low right now, but ES is not quite there. So I'm going to wait to see if ES reclaims 74. If we get an SMTMA long.
It could be happening. Yeah.
Yeah.
It could be happening. Very much so.
Well, we do have the open here if it's going to do anything. Let's see.
Well, we had a stab here a little bit. It took out this Asia low. nicely taken out.
Thinking of a long. I am dreaming of a long.
Kelly wants to catch this knife. Yeah, it's not a bad idea to catch the falling knife, but even if I try that, I need to see some structure. So even if it turns around, I'm just not going to say like, okay, this is the point I'm gonna buy. I need to see structure and then structure break or shift into the opposite side. So that's the only possibility if I would try to catch the falling knife. But right now I'm not gonna try to go long on this one. 507 seems like the next target. And
yeah, I think so.
Yeah. And 492 that I have on the
I mean, you're going to rebalance. You'll rebalance the 5-minute gap at 492.
Yeah. Actually, there is a 15-minute fair value gap at 492.
I mean, yeah, 15-minute. I misspoke. Yeah, 15.
Yeah. So it could be.
Look at that rip right back up. Wow. Double bottom there on the ES. We do have an SMT here. It could be a trap. It might be a trap.
Cool. Methodical Man is doing a marathon today.
Little 12-hour stream. Nutty is trying to blow me out of the water on Wednesday. He's going to attempt a 24-hour stream.
24-hour? That's crazy.
Yeah, he's going to be. I tell him, I was like, that's going to be hard to do, but 24 hours, congrats to him if he's able to pull that off. That is a lot. It's a long time.
You know what? Actually, I was trying to do that. I mean, mentally, I tried to prepare myself for it, but 24 hours at the charts, like even if I would be playing some video game, that would be better. But at the charts, 24 hours, man, that's going to be a very long 24 hours. That's very long. Yeah. I don't even know. He's
gonna be. Yeah. Zach said he's gonna be streaming him sleeping. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
that might.
I think that's what I would be doing. Yeah, maybe I'm just gonna be sleeping at the couch, and that's what's gonna be on the stream.
I don't know the time. I'm not quite sure what to do here. I was liking us to sweep a little lower.
I don't know. It's. Yeah, you know, now it's inverting the fair value gap on the 1 minute. There's an inversion now. If it closes higher than 26 or 27, oh, it did. Okay, so now we have an inversion gap. Super aggressive entry could be here to go long. If this was just a fake out here, and then we can try to go for that order block, but. A little bit tempted, by the way, to try a long position, but this is just not my entry. I'm not entering on these inversions, especially not in London. I think it's just risky.
I'd probably wait for a 3 or a 2 to close here. I think the 3 is the cleanest. I'd wait for every time frame to close above. The gap on the 3-minute is not very obvious. I would wait for the 3 and the 2 to close above, potentially even the 5. If we want to be safe.
You know, but
I think one more push lower makes sense.
You know what I'm gonna do, by the way, on my stream here. I mean, not now, but maybe on a weekend or after market, whatever. I might gonna do some gaming stream. You know, I remember, like, I don't know, like 7 or 8 years ago, I was streaming with some games. Maybe I'm gonna do a gaming stream. Who knows?
What games are you playing there?
Well, just the usual shooting games, like the old style Counter-Strike or PUBG, whatever. Some simple.
A little PUBG.
Game. A little bit PUBG, yeah. You know, PUBG is actually it could be funny. You know, if you're playing with a good team, then I could have some good fun. So, or maybe even.
Tom is going to become TRADEIFY TV. That's what somebody said.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do they play games on there? I have no idea.
I don't know. Did they? I mean, I saw some Halo tournament, whatever, tweet coming from Brett a few weeks ago. I don't know if they did that. But anyway. But then again, I've been told, because I was consulting with some YouTube experts who are in Hungary, and they told me I shouldn't do that because the YouTube algorithm then is going to say like, okay, this is like this channel is not just about one topic, it's about everything. And the more things you do on your channel, YouTube is going to put you on the back burner because the algorithm is not going to push you in a certain niche if you're doing multiple things on one channel. So the algorithm doesn't really like that. You have to stay on one content or one, topic. Otherwise, YouTube is not liking those channels. I've been told the algorithm doesn't like when you're doing like a cooking show, streaming of trading, and gaming streams as well. So that's not something YouTube likes.
Yeah. So Woodchip, has Stock Tiger fell asleep on the stream? Woodchip is saying Stock Tiger fell asleep, or
We
he
did.
does. I didn't see that one. I can't say too much. You might see me fall asleep on the stream one day too.
In a couple of hours, Myth is going to be sleeping, so we can check.
I very well might be. You never know.
Yeah.
I'll be over here in the chair, just laid back asleep. I fell asleep in this chair last week one day when I was doing back testing. I back tested so long that I just wore myself out. So I think one more sweep lower here, and then I'm going to be looking for a long. Nice. I'm actually even considering a short off of 532.
532.
But it's already very low to short. So it's a little scary to try to do. Oh, you have the screenshot, Woodchip? You dirty dog. Oh, he screenshotted him, Tom. He did him. He sniped him while he was sleeping.
Oh,
it's 6 months ago. Dang, it's been a minute. Has Stock been streaming that long? I don't even know. I don't know. Yeah. Tom, you been doing any giveaways on your stream, sir?
Oh man. I feel embarrassed because I still have 6 Take Profit Trader accounts ready to go on my credit bank. I've been told that I can also give away a couple of accounts, at least 5 from MyFundedFutures. So that's like a few accounts. So I actually I did a video. I wanted to put out a video for the giveaway, and everything just, I'm very slow in editing the videos, that's for one. So I'm very bad and very slow in editing the video. I put together like a 15-minute video, kind of like a review and some funny stuff about prop firms. And anyway, I just couldn't finish up with the editing, and so I promised the giveaway like more than a month ago now that we're gonna give away these accounts. I haven't gave away them yet. And so I'm way behind. I want to do it. Actually, I need to finish up with this week. Honestly, I think I'm just going to need someone to edit my videos. I have like I did the travel vlogs as well. I did it from my vacation from Italy. I did it from Hungary. I have like 3 hours of videos. I have reviews, strategy videos. I have so many raw material. I just never going to finish up with that. So I need someone to do some editing with that because I just can't. I'm super slow. I'm very bad. So
very, very bad.
Very. Yeah.
This thing is we almost are getting an inversion here. Not quite. It's just tapping into the 5 minute. Let's see what happens. Do we get a reaction out of the 5 or not?
Ivan, good morning.
Yeah, sorry. If it inverses on the 5, I am going to long.
Nice. Muhammad, hey, good to see you, man. Oh my gosh. I've been watching this currently. I'm not an active viewer. No problem, Muhammad. It's good to see you. You're back in the channel. This one is you passed the Top Step account. Nice. Hey, Muhammad, it's my pleasure. It's always good to see you back. Good to see OG viewers. Awesome, awesome. Congratulations, by the way. Congratulations. Wish you all the best, man. Yeah, it's bank holiday. Yeah, it's bank holiday. Steam, good to see you too.
Oh, ES did not run the did not run the Asia low. Nasdaq did. I don't know. Still think it probably does.
I don't know. I'm again biased a little bit too much to the upside, but it's just a tricky place here. I don't know. I'm thinking to give this like a second chance. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't.
I don't think it's a horrible idea. I'm watching ES. If it can hold above 74 here.
Okay, I entered the long. It's too late. I entered. I entered the long, but only with a small position.
We keep an eye on the ES here. If it loses that 74 level,
yeah,
then I think that would be of concern.
Yeah, man, I think I made a bad decision again. Targeting
we could
5.
Have a.
Yeah.
I was going to say we could have a little bit of a manipulation leg lower here, or potentially a lower time frame long setup. Maybe down to like the 30-second potentially. I don't know if Tom goes that low.
Yeah, the problem is with the ES right now. It could be sweeping some more lows here. Just gonna drag down.
If it loses 74, I'm probably going to jump in short, just so you know.
All right. On the ES.
If it doesn't, if it holds it, then I think that we could bounce and go here. If she holds, we could bounce and go.
If she holds.
Can she hold? Can she do it?
On the NQ, on the 1 minute, I kind of like that inversion. That's cool. I had a continuation with the structure shift on the 308 candle with a nice small fair value gap. That's cool. My stop loss is at 507.75, and I'm still targeting that order block at 74. Actually, 73 is my final TP, but I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna regret this again. This is exactly the situation when I got married to the idea too much, and I'm just forcing it to go up there.
I think it's okay if the ES can hold 74. So that's kind of the level that's kind of hold, in my opinion. What up, Steam?
Hey, Pigeon. Good to see you.
If it can hold 74, we'd be all right.
Actually, if it starts to go fast down to the 507, I'm just gonna close this manually. I'm not gonna wait for the full stop. Yeah, and most likely that's gonna be the case. Man, I don't understand this.
All right, I'm jumping in short, Tom. ES could just liquidity sweep here. Could be a higher low.
Yeah, I think
I'm going to take the risk.
I might gonna close this. I just don't like the way things are happening right now at NQ. I thought it's...
You might be okay, though. This could just be a higher low. A little liquidity grab. I think my short is way more dangerous than your long. That's just my opinion. But let's see. I'm going to go stop to break even at 519. Currently short from 525.
Yeah, it's not.
People can see. It is methodical man, Phil Coase. It is.
It is the methodical man. Eli, good to see you. And Phil Coase, so what's happening?
So this is on the 5-minute chart here. This really should be my break-even stop. I think I got in a little later than I like, to be honest. I'm going to give it a little more room. Watching the ES here.
I think I'm closing down my trade here. I'm not feeling comfortable with this. I'm still in, but my finger is on the flat button here.
Almost a 5-minute OB there, not quite. I'm going to keep my stop up there. This could just be a higher low and bounce here. It really could. I want to see us push on this next push lower. We need to push quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, if this goes lower, then it has to be a quick push to the downside.
So my stop to break even really is going to be 518.75, 519. See if it can get through there. And I'm watching the ES. If it reclaims 74, then I'm going to kill mine. It might just wreck both of us, Tom.
It might. It might. So we'll see.
I want to see a big rejection here at the 74. It needs to hold below and reject lower.
I'm still in the trade. Actually,
Stayed in?
Yeah, I stayed in. I keep
Nice.
I keep saying the opposite things that I'm preaching, actually, because yesterday I was reading Mark Douglas, Disciplined Trader, again for the 5th time now, and he also keeps saying that just like in trading in the zone, he keeps repeating the same thing. Like, once you put the trade on, then you're done. You're finished.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, once you put the trade on, you forget about it. You predetermine the risk, and that's it. If it takes you out,
sure.
it takes you out, and once you can make peace with that, that's when things are starting to change. So if I would like to follow the Mark Douglas lectures, then I should just not be doing anything with this trade now, just waiting for the stop loss or the take profit, and that's it.
I tend to agree. I don't always do that either. Stone said, I thought London had more volatility. Stone, it is a bank holiday, so that could have something to do with it. Could have something to do with it. And look at that push up. See, ES done reclaimed the 74. I think I'm going to get stopped. I got my stop at 34. My instinct was to kind of move the stop down there at the 22 level, but like I said, I don't, I think this is a dangerous short because we're so low in the leg.
Hey, Myth, you want me to make a nice AI music theme for you as well?
Sure, why not?
Of course. All right. No, I actually subscribe to Sona with the paid subscription, so I have a lot of credits, and I can use the highest version of AI, so it can make like awesome music, like really awesome. So if you have a
Nice.
If you have a specific style that you like in music, or like rap or hip hop or rock or something, whatever, let me know. We can do something. How about that?
Rap or hip hop? Yeah, I go with the rap or the hip hop.
Rap or hip hop? Okay. Would you like to get some I don't know, like Notorious B.I.G. style thing, or I don't know?
Yeah, why not? Can't go wrong with Biggie. Biggie, can't you see?
Exactly. That's what I was thinking. Like, Methodical Man should be having like that thing, like the biggie, like, I don't know. The AI will give a good lyric there.
Help me out. It'll help me out there. Well, it's kind of teasing both of us here, Tom. It feathered my stop. It blew on it, and then it pulled back a little more.
I don't know what.
And I got back to your green.
Yeah.
No party like a Diddy party. That's right.
You got
Stone
it.
said, did he just say Notorious B.I.G.? Just say Biggie, bro.
What is the best time to trade overnight sessions? What is the best time to trade overnight sessions? Well, I haven't really traded the Asia session. Methodical Man was trading Asia session, haven't you? Right? So
yeah, I actually quite like the Asia session. I actually traded my funded account on Asia yesterday.
Yeah,
I'm getting pretty comfortable with it.
Yeah, for volume buys, you got it is asking volume buys. Well, I don't know. I mean, I've seen many times when I sit down at London that better and more decent moves were happening seemingly in Asia session than in London session in the past couple of months at least. I don't know.
Yeah, Asia's been kind of slow recently, but I do think it's kind of easier to read you know.
Someone told me that you can trade gold in Asia session. It moves normally, like decently. I don't know.
Sometimes, yeah, it does move sometimes. It just depends. Is there a news driver? So for my position, I want to see price move below 21.50 here.
Hey, Lizel.
Really would give me it'll give me the confidence that we're going to go lower. For your position, Tom, if we break the 34, then I think that's good for you. I am actually going to put my stop right at where I think the invalidation point is, which is 34.
Nice. 34. It's yeah, it's still an interesting level here. And by the way, there's that thing which I want to pick up, like at least to study that session volume indicator thingy. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Like let me just show on my trading.
Was like a volume profile?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So this is it on my screen right now. I trying to learn how to use this properly. So I have this indicator. Basically, TradingView has it, which is called, I don't know, like volume profile, something like that. I still don't really understand how to trade it properly, how to use it. But I'm trying to learn it because it seems like I've been told that this is a must for day traders. Obviously not for strategy hopping reasons, just for an extra conflation, but still don't really understand how to use it properly.
Jonathan thinks I'm more of a Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
You want a Snoop Dogg music? All right, Snoop Dogg theme.
Maybe we'll see. Yeah, I don't hate volume profile. Obviously, volume profile, you can just trade. You can kind of just trade point of control and stuff like that with it. And it's not, I don't think it's horrible. I think you can definitely, listen, there's all kinds of strategies out there, as we both know, that can win or lose. There's no one, kind of, what's the word? 100% strategy.
Yeah, exactly.
So a question here is, do I target lower? I've got just a fixed 10-point take profit here. I'm wondering if I should actually target lower. Let's just keep it at 10.
Hey, thank you, Butchip. Yeah, I will look into it. Yeah, easier to read, less risk. Yeah, volume is.
So I want to see this in the next minute. I want to see it push below 521.
I think it's gonna happen. It seems like that, especially on the 1 minute. It feels like it just wants to let it go. I'm not sure.
It's not doing it yet. Yes, it's kind of pinned to that 74. I actually think I'm just going to take profit at 518. Just going to take profit at 518.
All right.
If we get there. Still hasn't moved lower. Arson says full port.
Yeah. Well, if Bulenox would do the 91%, I missed the last time. They just did it for a flash sale or for a day or something. The 91%, I missed it. Actually, yeah, I was thinking to maybe sacrifice like 2 or 3 accounts at Bulenox for a full porting thing.
I did pass one. I actually didn't even activate it yet. I forgot. In a kind of a wedge here on the 5 minute. Still in the trade here, guys. Tom's still in his long.
Yeah, it's kind of a crazy situation.
Looks like we're going to print another inside bar on the 5 minute, which means it's kind of choppy here.
Yeah, it's absolutely a chop fest.
I need to see the break below the 521 here.
Steam is asking, how many minis are you using, Myth?
I'm just in one right now.
He's using
We are
one.
fading each other, slow boy, for sure. And we both could lose. That's the sad thing.
That's the fun part.
Well, we both could win also because Tom's stop is down here.
Yeah.
My take profit is just 518.
Actually, to think about it, I think I just really made a bad decision because I'm not. Anyway, it is what it is. It didn't sweep that 507.
Marson says we're hedging.
Oh no, we're hedging.
No, I actually like long. I actually like Tom's position more than I like my own. I'm kind of shorting too low. I think the draw is lower, but like, could we pop higher here? Yeah, we could. We very well could. But what I may do is, if it does take me out at 534, I may just flip long for a little scalp higher, but we'll see. It really depends on, like I said, I kind of have to stop at the invalidation point. So if it stops me out, it stops me out. Not that big a deal.
Well,
he needs to use his micros to move the market. Well, the problem is he's long. He's already long in his micros.
I'm long with the micros, yeah. Yeah.
But I mean, I could see this going either way. I really could.
Well,
slow boy, yeah, possibly.
Typical London.
Yeah, it could kind of go either way.
Natalia, friendly fire. Please do not make the Charlie mystery. Yeah, sorry.
We have 3 minutes until a new 15-minute candle. So we'll see kind of what happens then. We are in a tight wedge here, getting tighter and tighter. She's going to break out. We're going to have a move. Just don't know which direction.
Hold on. I have to go out for 2 minutes. I have someone at the door, but I'll be right back. All right?
Oh, all right.
All right.
Tom has ordered a morning stripper, and she's at the door. Only you have to see his OnlyFans if you want to see that content. You got to go to the OnlyFans to see the content. I can't talk. You guys aren't subscribed to Tom's OnlyFans. I don't know what you're doing. Man, should I target lower? What do you guys think? Should I target lower than 518? I'm thinking I might should target lower. Yeah, Kevin, the old morning stripper, he gets her for a quarter of the price because it's so early in the day. Very early in the day. Man, this thing is chopping, guys. Really not doing anything. Very, very choppy. We're about to have our third inside bar in a row. It's not a good sign. I would like to see it break lower, obviously. I'm actually going to move my target down to 516, kind of 50% of the wick. 50% is 515. I'm going to go 516. Francis, I think 501 kind of makes sense. I mean, like, really the sweep of that 507 level here for sure, but I'm going to see how this plays out. I want to see us break below that 2175. That would give my stop a little validity there. Okay, there's the break below 2175, so my short trade is now valid. And we got 15 seconds to this new candle here. And this new 15-minute candle, I want to just see it just dump us. It's really what I want to see. Just dump us lower here. There we go. All right, moving stop to break even now. And I might just see green take green here, guys. All right, I'm just going to take it there. Get me back to break even on the day, right? I still think we sweep lower, but I'm just going to take it there and get back to break even. Oh, my stuff disappeared. Why does it do that? Sometimes it puts it in the wrong spot. All right. Let's get you guys back up. There we go. So a little see green, take green on that short. Made $100 on it. Nothing crazy. I do think we continue to sweep lower, but the red box is on my chart visible. These are this is just a fair value gap on the 2-minute chart that I marked out. If I was looking for a long, but yeah. I really can take that off because I'm thinking we get one more manipulation leg lower. I think we tap into the 490s potentially. I like to see the ES get one more sweep below the low. Thanks, Woodchip. Wake Trump up and tell him to tweet something. Orange Man, wake up. Come and tweet something. Get us up here. So this is what I was talking about with NASDAQ, how one person could be short, the other could be long. You could still both win. It's not outside the realm of possibility that this is still a higher low and we still run and hit Tom's target. It's possible. Maxie, what are you doing? What are you doing? So Max is not normally allowed to get on my bed, but when I stream, I move my chair out from behind me, and he jumps on the chair and then jumps on the bed. So, P. Shenanigan, this is methodical, man. This is not Tom. That's why. Hold on, let me try to talk like Tom. Hold on. Guys, we are below the VWAP. We are currently below the VWAP. I would not consider a long until we get above the VWAP. You got a 7-year golden. Max is 5 years old. He's a Dotson. Long hair, long white hair with gray and brown and black. And a lot of people don't realize he's a Dotson.
All right, here we are. What's happening?
I took profit, Tom. I just took 5 points, $100.
Nice. That's good. $100 any day in a London session. I take that. I think I'm just going to close my trade. I don't like this.
I don't know. I was kind of thinking if ES sweeps the Asia low, you might get an SMT here with a higher low and then rip higher. Because ES is approaching the Asia low.
Yeah, I think
only
just
1 point away.
Yeah, but it's like it's gonna drag down NQ. I think. I'm not sure.
I don't know. NQ might leave that 507 down there. Maybe. E Disco, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Still saying it, Tom.
You're still saying. I know. We're gonna put that.
Still saying it.
We're gonna put that in the new music theme video, whatever.
Perfect. Yeah, I was gonna target 515. That's kind of 50% of that wick. Actually, I was gonna target 516, and I took it off. I don't know. I didn't have the patience there. The thing is, like, I feel more comfortable in Globex in Asia since I've been trading it for like a month now than I do during London. I don't know why that is, but because I used to trade London all the time. So, but Tom, that was very quick. That stripper must have been good.
Yeah, it was. She was.
Very, very quick.
Very quick. Yeah.
Either the stripper was good or Tom. Either the stripper was quick or Tom was quick. I don't know which.
One of those two things. One of those.
Maybe a little bit of both. You're gone about 2 minutes. Have you saw those TikToks of the little babies who are like, obviously it's AI, and they're like, it took my mom 40 weeks to make me. It only took my dad 13 seconds.
I didn't see that. I think I see something similar, but yeah.
And I make Tom louder. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, make me louder.
There we
So,
go.
yeah, basically, I think we're just gonna go down to that 507. I don't know. Somehow I was pretty much attached to that long idea.
Cisco said that London's usually a little better than this. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't think it's horrible, but it is kind of chopping.
it is. It is. All right.
Did you get a discount on the scripper?
Of course. I have a code for that too, you know. Yeah.
Cougar just subscribed. Thank you, Cougar. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. Code was MM. Of course, Marson. To give him the biggest discount.
He always does.
Yeah. We also have discounts on surgeries too.
Oh yeah. That's the best deal.
Did you close the long?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Tom, I think you should have kept the long.
I know.
I actually kind of like the long better than the short, but you know.
Felt like it, you know, if ES is gonna sweep that low, which I think it's kind of want to do. Look at that. Now it goes higher.
ES still didn't sweep the low.
Yeah, it still didn't, but I think, I mean, if it wants to, then that would be interesting.
I mean, we kind of are in a lower high, lower low pattern here.
Yeah.
Which generally would generate a trend line, and eventually you might have a little liquidity sweep higher. So again, I think that 74 level is key on the ES there. As long as we stay below it, we probably continue lower. If we can get a back above there, I think we can go higher. Anyone have top step codes? No, Content Hunter. No top step codes around here. I don't think they have any codes. I think whatever the cost is the cost with top step, right?
Yeah, shenanigan. I closed it. The market moves higher. That's typical. The market starts to move whenever I close the trade.
Tom, I was noticing something in your video. Let me show you this picture.
Yeah.
From where you had my picture hanging up in the kitchen. Hold on, let me find it. Let me find it.
I want to know.
Let's see. Okay, here we go. If you guys didn't know, this is Tom. He has my picture hanging up in his kitchen there. Okay. But Tom, what's going on with this collar here?
What?
I mean, you've got this collar popped like I've never seen before.
I don't know. I don't know, man.
Look at Tom popping the collar there.
I don't know why it happened, actually. Oh, yeah, I was driving. I mean, we just drove back home, and it was a little bit cold that night, so I just popped it higher. And the first thing when we got back to the apartment to try to carve out that pumpkin there. That's it.
Got the pumpkin going. See, look, he's got my picture hanging up over here. The best trader. See?
Yeah, yeah. That's a fact.
Yeah.
That's a fact.
Bet you guys didn't know that.
Oh, yeah. Had to do
Love
it.
MCon.
That's kind of a good picture. Let me show you guys. That's kind of a great picture there.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Hold on.
Beautiful photo. Yeah, I had another one. I don't know what I did with it though. I had another one of you standing up in front of the picture.
Oh yeah, that's an even better one.
But I don't know what I did with
it. He's methodical man leaking blob.
I didn't save it. Oh shoot, we don't want to put that up there. Oh goodness.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Okay. You sound
Yeah, I don't know what I
strange.
saved it under. Don't know what I saved it under. But yeah, there was another one that had you standing in front of it.
No problem.
I can't find it. But yeah, I do think we get probably at 4 a.m. here. We probably get that sweep lower if we're going to get it. I want to see ES at least sweep the Asia low. Ideally, you'd probably like to see it sweep that 467, but I don't know that it will. I don't know that we get that. It's so funny because all these setups that I outline on the ES, they typically happen during like London.
Yeah.
So we'll kind of see what we get there.
Well, we still have 19 minutes until the pre-market opens, so it might want to sweep that or just push it back higher.
So what do you normally stream to, like 4?
Yeah, 4 or 5, depends on if there's any good movement or something to talk about. Depends on all these factors. Yeah, usually.
There's not much to talk about today, huh?
Well, I mean, I was kind of looking into this. This trade is actually pissing me off, to be honest. So I closed it, and then now it's doing this.
I told you not to close it.
Yeah, I know.
I told you.
I know, and that's why it makes me a little bit, frustrated.
While you were gone, I literally was talking about how we both could win here.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I do think ultimately it's going to go lower. I don't think it's outside the realm of possibility for it to sweep higher first.
Yeah.
So we kind of mark out, we got a really nice trend line liquidity right here. We mark this out. I mean, it's really clean. We got 3 touches. I think this sweep back above 536 and then move lower.
Yeah,
could potentially happen.
Yeah.
I don't know what your entry was. I think it was what, like 520? Was it like 520?
Somewhere around 5. Yeah, 527-ish, 527.
Oh, okay.
Something. Yeah.
I don't know if that would have got you out anyway. 8 or 9 points. Bowser says delete it now. Yeah, I may have to, Bowser.
Good morning, Chaz.
We may have to.
Made 250, nice. Congratulations.
Shh, just keep it on the low, Bowser. Just keep it on the low.
What's happening over there?
We can't tell you. I literally can't say. I'll message it to you in the Discord later. We literally can't say. We can't put it out there. It was only up for like a little second there. What I could do though, I could just make it to where you can't rewind the stream. Let's do that.
Oh yeah, how is that possible? Can you do it?
Yeah, you can do that.
Where? I wanted to do that too, but I don't know where to do that.
In the YouTube studio.
Oh, in the YouTube studio. All right.
So let's get in there and make that happen.
Let me get that function. I'm just kind of curious how that works.
So you just go to content, you go to your live, and where you set it up at, it will say playback mode somewhere.
Okay.
Where is it at?
That's not it. I can only edit the no, that's the highlight, stream marker. No, I don't see it anywhere. I don't think it's possible. I don't think it's possible.
Oh, it is. For sure. For sure.
Let's see.
I'm getting there. Hold on.
Maybe I have to go to edit, right?
Let's see.
Restrictions, no. Category. No, I don't see it anywhere. Customization.
It's under one of these. I don't remember where it is.
Live reactions, slow mode, message delay.
Whoa, look at this breakout.
What?
Look at this breakout, Tom.
No. Jesus. Oh no. Oh
There she goes. I think
no.
it runs to 36 now.
Oh no.
Tom had to just close it already early. What was he doing?
Oh man. You know what? I don't know. I don't know what I did.
I closed mine early too. I don't think mine actually hit my target if I had not. Yeah, it came one tick from my target if I had not closed it early.
I'm going to do a penguin suit hot tub dance if this one's going to go to 574.
Hot tub dance.
I don't know.
Where's the hot tub at? Is it outside?
Yeah, I mean, actually, we have sort of like a hot tub thingy in the bathroom, so that's what I'm going to do the stream from. Yeah. It's like a mini jacuzzi thing.
Hot tub in the bathroom. Nice. We don't have any of that.
Congrats, Syed. Nice.
This thing 100%, in my opinion, will run the 36 level at least.
Anyway, my final target would be the 573. So,
did you jump back in?
I did.
Sounds like you jumped back in.
I did. I jumped back in. This time, this time on a different account, because that previous account I abused it a little bit too much. So I switched. At least to have a moral victory, I switched to an evaluation account so I can go absolutely crazy. So I chose an Apex Eval, and I jumped in with 15 micros. 15. Yeah, 15 micros, but I'm going to take partials if this one goes to somewhere around the midnight area. I'm going to take partials. If it takes me out, awesome. I'm going to lose like 500 something on this, but this is on an eval, so I'm okay with it.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I was trading on an eval earlier too, but I'm up 2,600 on it. It's the futures desk eval.
Oh, nice.
Need to make 3,500 to pass those accounts. So I got a ways to go.
MMCom Tom, is it Barbie type of hot tub? I don't know what Barbie has, what types of hot tub she has, but I don't know.
He likes to have a Barbie in it with him.
Oh, a Barbie.
Not necessarily the Barbie, but Barbie.
Barbie.
Okay. A Barbie. Only his girlfriend or, fiance.
I don't even know what to call her, like girlfriend, fiance. Actually, she was asking me, like, hey, what are you telling in the streams? Like, who do you live with? Like, well, I'm just telling everybody I live with my girlfriend. And
no, you're like, I tell everybody I'm just living with some dude.
Yeah, and she's kind of gets upset, like, you see, you should have get married like 5 years ago. And I was like, don't take it on me, because I have the ring like 8 years ago now, and I'm just keep holding this. I don't even know where it is anymore. So
you didn't give it to her yet?
I mean, I did. No. I gave her like 3 rings. I don't know which of those were actually for the marriage. I don't know, but I have another ring as well, somewhere. I don't know, but that would be the final something official ring. But anyway, I don't even know about these rings. Like, well, I don't know.
Tom's in trouble here.
I'm in trouble.
Hopefully she's over there sleeping.
Oh, she's working now. She's, school started and she's a teacher, so this is her first week in school, and finally I can have my holiday.
Update on the poll, Tom. There has been 55 votes. 58% says your bathwater is worthless.
What?
42% says it is worth $100.
Okay, so that's a, guys, that bathwater at least. I mean, it actually worth like at least double than $100. That's why I'm saying you can get it for $79.99.
It really just depends on what action you did in the bath. You know, did you just take a bath? Did you pee in the water?
I was in the water for like an hour. So, or what was the question?
What color ring pop did she get?
What color? A blue, actually. It's like a, I don't even know what, I mean.
What's up, it's Trading Star?
Yeah, the celebrity trading star.
Oh. Two crazy people have came together. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You're not wrong.
Oh, yeah. I was actually, as I said, I kind of pushed the thing at MyFundedTV that we should have this joint stream live at MyFundedTV. It's some good topics, you know, to pump up the vibe a little bit there. And
yeah, I'm holding back here. I've got a lot of information that I'm waiting to just release.
Oh yeah,
on
definitely.
the viewers, but I'm gonna hold back.
What information?
I can't tell you now. You'll be like, no, we can't share that.
Oh, you mean like
No.
MyFundedTV information?
Yeah, we're gonna share it on MyFundedTV.
Really?
We'll be there. They said August the 1st or September 1st, but that is actually a holiday here in America.
I mean, you and me are gonna have a joint stream on September 1st.
Yeah, September 1st or somewhere in that week of September, the first week.
Nice, that's cool, awesome.
Yeah, they did tell me that. So it'll be so at that point I will reveal all the information that I have.
So nice, you're gonna be doing the same segment then. That's cool, because then we can talk about a lot of stuff, lots of stuff.
Oh yeah. We can. Well, Tom will be ceremoniously fired.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
No. I will. I think. I think
termination is imminent.
I think I basically pulled up too much red flags on the stream, so I might gonna be.
Wood chips in an ES short. Let's go. Tom, I don't like the look of this. I do see we left equal highs up there at 534.
I don't like this too, but anyway.
We need a bullish reaction here. We need a bullish reaction. Yeah, MM Khan, I'm going to release everything I know.
He's going to do it. He's going to release the files, you know.
The Epstein files. Instead of the Epstein files, it's going to be the SABO files.
The SABO files, yeah. I don't like
release those files.
This is just not working nicely.
Well, we broke that trend line. Typically, we don't leave liquidity like that. So there's still liquidity up there at 536.
Yeah.
I would like a bullish close here. Bullish engulfing on the 5-minute. What would that be? Top of the hour-ish? Yeah, it's pushing back up here. I think you're probably okay.
Still like almost 7 minutes to go with this.
I'm kind of considering jumping in long myself. I mean, I could jump in long here with like a 7-point stop. It's not bad. Maybe a 9-point. Equal highs and equal lows in 6 minutes. Everyone's getting liquidated. Maybe.
Yeah.
You never know.
You never know.
I do think. I mean, the thing is, we don't typically leave this trend line liquidity like this. Once it starts running it usually finishes.
Yeah.
So I expect it to push to 536. Now, what happens above there? I have no idea.
Yeah, the only thing up there that I like, by the way, despite those relative equal highs, is I really do like that bearish pin bar from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. That order block or supply zone, it makes it a little bit even more significant to me because it's actually created that Asia high. So an order block or supply zone or demand zone, it's even better when it's creating a significant level like these, session highs and lows. It makes it even better. I'm not saying that it's definitely going to get hit, but it's good for target, and that's why I do like that
Well,
574.
also, what has the market done lately? I mean, recently it's not running the full liquidity. Like if you have sell side sitting at 507,
Yeah.
recently the market's been like coming very close and then not quite running it, pushing back up 50%, 62% of the range, then come back later on and run that sell side. And that might be what we're having happen here.
Also, you know, the timing of the whole situation. Like, obviously I don't know. We did not have a typical London Open here because of the bank holiday, but at the 3 a.m. hour, we had a fake out spike to the downside. Still got rejected just before the liquidity sweep level, before that 507. Yep. So in price action terms, that would suggest that, okay, this could have been a bit of a fake out move, and, you know, maybe trap in some sellers to go for the sell side, and now it just wants to squeeze everybody to those relative equal highs or maybe even higher. So yeah, that's why yeah, tape reading wise, this is a story I like. I really do like this story, and we'll see where it goes.
Yeah, because like what does the market do here to take the most stops? Well, it pushes back up, back up to midnight open, push back up to the Asia high, and that's going to wreck the most people.
Exactly. So if the question is like, what do we think, where are the most amount of stops placed right now, I would say the most amount of stops are resting above 69 or 68, 568, 569. That's where the most of the stops are right now. So for the market, it would be definitely more logical to squeeze the shorts and just take out the stops above 68 and even higher. So we'll see, I guess.
Holy fuck. How's it going? Never seen you here before. That's a name I would definitely remember. Welcome to the Methodical Crew.
That name we would remember. That name we would know.
His name is HO-LEEFOK.
You walked into that one. I know. It was.
No, I knew it.
I know
wanted
you
to
knew
say it.
Do you guys have DOM to see big orders? I don't use the DOM, but that doesn't not mean that you cannot use it. I just don't use it. After some chart time, I think, and that's my maybe methodical man agrees with it. After many chart time, after a while, you tend to anticipate where it could be the most amount of liquidity, like certain swing points, fair value gaps, and such. You don't really need the DOM, in my opinion. Maybe
I agree,
maybe if you're maybe if you're scalping. I don't know.
Yeah, if you're a hyper scalper, then the DOM helps. I mean, the DOM can't hurt. I mean, the more information you have, the only thing is you don't want to get that, you know, paralysis, looking at too many things. But is Trading Star, why I'm up so early? I'm doing a 12-hour stream. That's why. 145 to 145. Just, you know, trying to generate some subscriptions and, you know, new viewers. That's all.
Yeah,
but I don't think using the DOM is a bad idea.
Yeah, absolutely not.
So I just don't use it.
Just as you said, it never hurts to have it if you can put it somewhere where you can just look at it, just have an extra confluation of what's happening. That's cool. To build a trading system around the DOM, I'm not really interested to do that because after a while I can anticipate where the liquidity is going to be. But that's it.
Woodchip says in Asia that means that Ho is his surname and his first name is Fok, which would mean his name is Fok Ho. Could be.
Yeah.
Could be. We'll have to hear from Ho to know. I don't know. But either way, it's a great name.
Steam, I don't know if we're gonna break April lows. Let me see April lows.
It's not an easy one to get correctly. Let's go. See, he said I pronounced it correct. Let's go.
Well, it's down there. And yeah, it's down there 18,000. There are some fair value, liquidity voids on the daily chart, by the way. So liquidity void in April, in May as well. So, you know, we all know that these gaps are going to get filled after a while. So we can anticipate a sharp sell-off maybe in the future. Question is when. I mean, it's possible, but I don't know.
Top of the hour here, Tom.
Oh yeah, here we
Kind
go.
of the line in the sand here. I was considering joining you along here, but
I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. It's kind of a.
I do think if it gets above 30, I might join for a scalp.
I don't think it wants to go anywhere here. I was expecting some more clarity after 10. I mean, obviously not on the first candle, but I don't know. Here we have 30, 31. It could be just ranging, like we have this area here, pretty much where we are at right now, almost like a point of control thingy right here around 30. Definitely interesting. But we're just.
So I'm in long with Tom.
You're in long. All right. So
I'm gonna go stop to break even at 34.50. I'm just looking for a scalp.
All right.
Just stop to break even at 34.50.
I actually added this trade on another account as well, so I'm basically having this on 2 of my accounts.
I'm risking 7 points here. I want to see a little expansion above 34.50 straight into the 36s. There we go. Stop to break even. Left equal highs at 36.50 now. There we go. Boom. Quick, easy scalp.
I actually haven't shaved this morning.
Easy scalp.
I'm gonna maybe I should grow a mustache. I don't know. Maybe I will.
Thank you. Come again. There we go. Easy peasy.
Let's go.
That was a pretty easy read. I like that momentum there. Once we kind of flip that 5-minute candle green, that kind of give me the indication that we're going to run those equal highs. So Tom's mustache looks great today.
I know.
Yeah, it looks like he's got a little milk on it.
I'm growing it since 4 weeks now. So
4 weeks you've been growing that?
Not really.
I fully shaved like 3 days ago, and this is what I've gotten in 3 days.
Oh, in 3 days.
You know, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, Tom, this is interesting here for your longs. I'm just going to tell you.
What?
If we create a swing here again on the 5-minute, this high will now be protected. So I would be very careful here. Obviously we got 1 minute and 35 seconds left on this candle, and then we got the next candle as well. But this high will be protected on the 5-minute chart if we do create a swing. But so what you want to see, what I would want to see here if I'm long, I really want to see on this 5-minute candle a close above 38. At a close above 38, I think we can get some expansion.
Maybe.
But it's got 1 minute to do it here. Let's see. Chasen is short. Got a 1 minute SMT breaker on the 4 o'clock open. 4 o'clock open, you mean 3 o'clock open? I don't know. What time frame are you seeing the breaker on, Chasen? I'm not quite seeing it. Maybe here? I don't know that that's that clean, but yeah, I do see that on the 1 minute. And he confirmed the breaker first. Equities open, yeah.
I'm going to try something. I'm going to try to put your video on my channel somehow. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm going to put it.
Yeah, you can just do the window capture. I've got you on my
I put your stream in a separate window, and maybe I can capture it that way. Let's just see.
Yeah, that's what I do. We want to see this close above 538. It's so close, and it's just not quite able to do it. Trading Star, I am not going to tell you what kind of milk it is either. Your TP's 544. I think that's a good target. just below VWAP Nestor. Makes a lot of sense. White bodied candles are inside bars. I only play those on the 5-minute chart, but it's on, you know, it is an indicator that shows up on every time frame. So when I was short earlier and I was talking about I want to see a break below 521.75, that was because we printed the first inside bar after the open. So I had my stop at the high of the inside bar and we broke below. You can see I only took 5 points on the break below because I'm not greedy. And it was the right play.
I can't put you on there. Somehow the video is just not coming through. I don't know why is that. It's just the video is not coming through.
I don't know.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I'm streaming with Tom right now, Neo. Tom's on here. He's over here in the corner. Tom's struggling over there with his setup.
No, I'll try to do it properly. I don't know. I'm pushing everything, the buttons.
Are you doing a window capture or a there's another one called something else.
I don't know, man.
Window capture.
I tried to do the window capture, but it's just not working. So
I don't know. Something's up.
Something's up.
It's that 1946 PC that you got over there. See, we can get Tom up on here.
Projector.
I can put his chart up.
No, I don't know. The thing is, if I... No, that's not working. I don't know why. Anyway.
You can put Tom's chart over here. Somehow I would have to. Oh, I got to stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch Tom.
Display capture. The thing is, right now I only have 2 screens on. So if I put the display capture, that means I cannot read the chat properly, and I cannot see my charts. Maybe I can put the display capture on. Maybe. Anyway, I tried. I
don't know where to place Tom's stream at. We'll make it smaller and just put it in the corner. You can see Tom's entry.
Well, now this trade is not looking good at all. Yeah, I have to put this off. I don't know why it's not working.
Oh. I don't know. I'm just using OBS Neo. That's what I use to stream with. OBS.
I was actually thinking to maybe use a different streaming software. I'm not sure. I mean, I have no major issues with OBS, so it works fine, basically.
Let's see here. I can put Tom right next to me and Booyah! I'm trying to slap him. I'm still long here. I think it's okay. I don't like that rejection, though, to be honest.
Yeah, me neither.
I wanted to see the close above that 538 would be extra confirmation.
It's just not playing out as it should.
Chasen's short working out, looking pretty good. I think your stop's in the right spot, though. I mean, to be honest, I mean, it could stop, it may not. You don't know.
Yeah. Feels like it. And now it feels
kind of what we were talking about earlier on the 1 minute with the trendline liquidity. We're kind of getting the same thing on the 5 minute.
Yeah, you have this.
And a 1 minute here too. So if we're looking at both sides, right, you got 3 touches here. So if we get a close below kind of that 520 area, I think we will retest the low. Let's see. Wait and see what happens. We did hold up in that 2-minute gap and the 1-minute gap. We held up over there. Tom's, any reason that you keep your background gray instead of like going to black or something? Just curious.
Gray? What do you mean? Oh, I mean here. I mean, no specific reason. I actually I just like the color. I think it's easier for my eyes, and yeah, nothing specific. First, I started like I want to modify the candle colors because I was reading somewhere and there was a study about this in trading. And the study was saying that those day traders who are using the typical red and green candles for, I mean, on their charts, they're having more stress because when they see the red candles, it's going to, I mean, your subconscious is going to be definitely more stressful, specifically on a losing trade when the red candles are printing. So that's a study. Also, also green candles are projecting more greed and not, I mean, harsh decisions and stuff like that. So basically, I was like, okay, let's put something different. So let's steer away from the green and the red candles. So that's why I chose this color anyway. There was a study somewhere. Nice. I'm going to search for it. Yeah.
Okay. So what I was talking about earlier, Tom, how if we created a swing.
Yeah.
So that high at 537.75 is now protected. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean that high cannot be hit? No, doesn't mean that.
No.
It just means that we would be very bullish if we did hit that high. It's more likely in this scenario that we make a new low than a new high first, in my opinion.
Yeah, now it definitely seems like it. The fact that this one is just having the struggle and now keeps shifting, like if it closes below that 21 now, with any down close candle should do it, then that's definitely a very strong sign that it might just want to sweep that 507 first. It is what it is, but yeah.
Oh, Bowser said he switched to the lighter background because he couldn't see the wicks all that good. Interesting.
That's also good. Usually I use like the dark theme on all of my web applications and everything, so that's why I went with the darker theme. But yeah, I know that the color of the bearish candles at me is Navajo white. That's the color name, Navajo white. And lime green.
Nice.
Lime green is the color for the green candles. But anyway.
Lime green.
Lime green and Navajo white. These are my two. Actually, these two colors I'm using at other platforms too. So, yeah.
What other platform are you trading on? Are you on Ninja or TRADEIFY?
Like I'm technically reinstalled Ninja as well, so I'm using Quant Tower, TradingView. I reinstalled Ninja just to see. Maybe I'm gonna try the copy trader once more. But actually, I might going to leave this copy trading nonsense behind me this year. I mean, at least for the rest of the year, because one of my mistakes was that I tried to do copy trading again too much this month. So especially in the first 2 weeks. And I was like copy trading 4 or 5 funded accounts, and that was just absolutely emotionally a roller coaster for me. So I blew up these accounts. I wasn't feeling good about that. So I'm just going to leave copy trading for a while.
That's what I did earlier in the year. I actually, twice, I was copy trading more than 20 accounts altogether. And twice I went on vacation.
Yeah.
And each time that I went on vacation, I had copy trader issues and blew a set of 20 accounts.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Especially when you're on vacation, to blow accounts on vacation.
And that's what happened to me. So I did not want to talk about this too much on my funded TV or wherever I was being asked, like, how was vacation? It was good. I took my laptop too, of course, just to see how the New York Open goes. As I was just sitting drinking my coffee at the lobby, I was like, oh, let's see how the market goes. And I was like copy trading 4 of my accounts, like, let's go. And obviously I went down like $2,000 on 4 of my funded accounts combined. That definitely didn't feel good on my holidays. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I don't care.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, that's not a
That's
good feeling.
why I've started trading my accounts individually, and I also have said that if I go on vacation, I'm not trading the funded accounts. I'll take
Yeah.
my opening trade and that's it.
Yeah, I wanted to. I was a little bit greedy. I thought I saw something like, okay, this would be awesome, and obviously Murphy's Law happened, and it turned back on me, and that was definitely not a good feeling. But anyway, I
Here
told
is a
myself,
short trigger.
yeah, this
Tom,
is the
here's a short
yeah,
trigger.
yeah. It's definitely not looking too good here.
But again, your stop though is actually down at 507, right?
508,
So
exactly 508. Just
yeah, I think look at the reaction at 515 and see what happens. If we can just sweep that 515, because this is the leg that made this high. So theoretically, if we just sweep this, we could still get back above 38. We don't actually have to sweep the full 507 to do it. It would make sense because we're started to clear out the trend line, but I don't know.
Yeah, this trade so far is not looking so strong. The thing is, again, is that I pretty much attached myself to the idea to go for that order block, which is awesome, but with this lack of volume and everything is just sideways, I don't know.
I'm obviously not going to enter the short here, but if one was looking for a short, this would be an okay spot to do it.
Yeah, it would be. I agree.
I think we're it's still, I mean, we're obviously at the bottom of the range here too, if we're looking at this from like an idiot box perspective, right? Kind of bottom of the idiot box range. Long in this level might make sense too. But from a liquidity standpoint, I don't know. Feels like we want to run the 515 at least. We'll see. What's gold up to? Let's take a look. Oh, so if you took the long on gold, we marked it out at the start of the stream here. So you hit target number 1, which was only 1.7 points. And then stop would have went to break even there. So at your first target, you move it to break even, and it did not hit the other targets yet.
Yeah, Jay, I agree. It could be good for scalping, but I don't know. One thing's for sure, we still have technically, statistically, the best months from the year September, October, November. I'm not going to waste my energy and time on copy trading. I made a promise to myself. So best case scenario, maybe I'm gonna copy trade 2 accounts just to have my weekly trades on it. That's it. But on a regular basis, I'm definitely not going to copy trade. Definitely not, because my best month so far that I had in May, and I had almost 13,000 in payouts. All those payouts were happening by rotating the accounts one by one. No copy trading happened at all. So I was just keep rotating the accounts. Even if I had a bad day or a bad session on an account, I just switched to the next one and I kept going, and that's what helped me with that.
Yeah, there's definitely something to be said about rotating the accounts.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
It is slower, right? It's slower,
but less
you're
stressful.
not going to get you're not going to get 10 payouts at once. But the thing is like you just said, if you end up having a bad day, maybe you're red on 1 or 2 fundeds, and the other ones are fine. Or if you blow an account, you blow 1 or 2 accounts instead of blowing 20.
Exactly. So one of my biggest takeaways, not just from this year, but last year too, I compared my best months in terms of copy trading with my worst months, and definitely copy trading was one of the major causes. Dulwin, sorry, I butchered the name there. Dulwin, thank you for joining.
Roy.
So definitely the copy trading was one of the major causes of my biggest losses throughout this year and last year too. So when I stopped absolutely with copy trading and I started to rotate the accounts, as you said, I had a bad session on one of my funded accounts in London, for example. I switched to a different account in New York and everything was great again. And the next day I could recover from the previous account. So as I did that, I realized, man, it's definitely less stressful. Absolutely. I can focus on the charts. Oh, man, I just got slipped. All right.
There's that liquidity at 515.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't.
Now, if you get a bullish reaction off this level, Tom, I think you'll be okay. This is kind of the line in the sand. If we don't get a bullish reation here, then it's probably going to run that 507.
I'm closing this trade. I'm out.
What up, Paul?
I'm out from the trade. I closed it. I just can't hold this. This is just too much stress for me to go with. I mean, not stress, basically, because it's just evaluation account. But anyway.
Yeah. 3406 on the gold level. Let me look. Yeah, it's kind of where we've been pinned to, huh? The gold's definitely pulling back now. Potential short setup on gold too.
Oh, really?
I only use the 5-minute chart on gold. I don't usually execute it all that often. Maybe I will draw it out.
Maybe, by the way, I should be sticking to the 5-minute chart more often. That would be the solution.
So kind of if gold breaks structure to the downside here, the only problem, I don't know. I guess we are high enough to just take a short. Would make sense. See how that closes.
Is it worth switching from Forex to futures? Yes, absolutely. Dualwin, absolutely worth switching. Definitely.
I've never traded Forex, but I've never heard anything positive about Forex, to be honest.
Yeah, it's definitely harder, I think. I tried Forex. I mean, you know, it's just harder. What do you think about 1-to-1 risk to reward? I think it's perfect. No problem with the 1-to-1 risk to reward. Many successful traders are using 1-to-1 risk to reward, and nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong.
All right, ES is approaching the low here, Tom. Actually just swept the Asia low there. I'd like to see NASDAQ sweep this liquidity at 507.
Let's see.
If it does that, then I think 538 would be a good target on the way back up.
Maybe I'm going to be watching that 492 if it sweeps that 507.
Yeah, I do like that 492 to rebalance that 15-minute.
Yeah. Obviously, there's lots of liquidity down there.
Get that rebalance going there if you could. We'll see if it can do it. Can it do it?
I think anything is possible.
Yeah, I try to keep like a simple, I try to keep it as simple as possible, like in the slower markets, trend lines, protected highs and lows, where liquidity rests. I don't necessarily execute it the best, but Now here's an interesting long scenario here, Tom. If we get a 1-minute inverse back to the upside,
yeah,
I mean that could be interesting.
I think I'm letting this.
I'm
I'm definitely letting this go, especially in this session. So whatever happens, I'm just going to tape read and observe what's happening. Because I still like that level at 574. That's awesome, but I keep messing up my mind with this, so I'm just letting this go. Whatever happens at this level,
I think it's more likely this holds and that we sweep down into that 15-minute, and then you get the better trade out of there.
Yeah, maybe.
Kind of what I'm thinking.
If this area is gonna go sideways or holding this 500-ish place, then maybe after 7 a.m. early New York kill zone, maybe there's a chance to go for that high. But for now, I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines and see what's happening.
Nestor says 1-to-1 R is good if you're over a 50% win rate.
Oh, yeah.
Nestor, I tend to agree.
Yeah.
I actually think you need higher than 50% at a 1-to-1. You actually need about a 60%
Yeah,
at
or
least.
even more. Yeah, at least. The
Yeah.
very least, to make some visible gains, you need that 60. Obviously, it's
Now,
nothing bad if you're sitting at 55 or 53%, but it's going to be a slow process, that's for sure. So
yeah, and also if you could push your R to 2, the opportunities that you open are just massive, because at a 2R, a lot of people don't realize 2 out of 5
yeah,
is still making money.
yeah, exactly.
So if you go two wins and 3 losses on the week, you're still making money. So 3 wins and 2 losses, you're making a ton of money if you can just simply push it to a 2R. I'm not a 2R trader, even though I know the math. It still doesn't, I still am not a 2R trader.
Yeah, I try to push it as much as I can to 2R, but I have to realize that somehow, or I don't know why is that. Maybe there's a magical explanation for it, but most likely the standard 1-to-1 deviations, aka the 1R trades, are working out the best for me. So that's it.
I'm a person, I need to see like 7 out of 10 wins, as opposed to 2 or 4 out of 10, right? Which is what 2R is still going to be profitable at.
Yeah.
But yeah, I need to see the 7 out of 10 for my mentality.
Oh.
4 out of 10, I would feel like I'm not doing very well.
Yeah.
Hey, Bell, the new guy is this idiot named Methodical Man. That's who it is. It's this idiot.
The new
Tom,
guy.
you're supposed to be like, you're supposed to say, you're not an idiot. But no, Tom just agreed. He just chuckled.
No.
Yes.
No. He's
yes,
the
idiot.
We are each other's co-hosts, you know.
Yeah. Oh, we do the best we can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Tom, if this 1 minute long, I mean, if this triggers, it could be interesting. There's a small SMT here.
Yeah.
But we did leave some liquidity down low. I mean, like, that's the thing.
Yeah. It definitely interesting, but anyway.
That high is technically no longer protected at 537.
Yeah, it's not. It keeps going higher.
What's up, Woodchip? He said, what's up, Travis? I don't know. I am kind of interested in this long here. We have triple equal highs just above. I think at the very least, this is a break even.
Could be. Very well could be.
I mean, you got triple equal highs at 529. You do have the 50 EMA there kind of holding you down. That was a dirty close as well, which means probably going to be an invalid trade. We did not close above here, and it's probably going to run the triple equal highs at 529 before it closes. Just closed above, I would 100% take this trade. I think it's at least break even. I'm not going to jump in early though with a trade being invalid. Oh, want to actually see a little expansion here.
I actually
we get above
jumped
529.
into,
I want to see a little bit.
I re-jumped back on the same evaluation account. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I mean, I know, but it's on the same eval, only with the smaller risk here. So
I'm over here. I'm causing Tom to be full port.
Oh yeah, yeah. You're exactly that's what's happening.
Prophesiah, what makes a high or low protected? It's really simple. A high or low that is taken out. So let me just go back here. So you can see we're in this 5-minute fair value gap here, right? So a higher low that takes out a wick or another higher low inside a fair value gap. If it creates a swing on the same time frame, then it becomes protected until the swing that made the higher low is breached. So in other words, you got this high here. So this high took out this high. We created a swing since the next candle did not go higher. So we created a swing high here. So that high is now protected until we take out this low, which created this high.
Huh.
So it's a very simple thing. And now it doesn't always hold, but it's something to pay attention to.
Oh,
It keeps me out of a lot of losing trades when that forms. Just recognizing it, you know. And obviously we're still being held down here by that 5-minute gap. Still being held down. The pole is pulling closer, guys. We got to get the pole over 50% for Tom's $100.
We need to. We need to make some side business here.
So there's the long trigger. I wasn't really paying attention. The retest of this inversion, that was actually a really good entry if you took that. We left this triple equal highs. There's no way it doesn't clean that out.
The funny thing is,
you want to see expansion.
The funny thing is, I have re-entered 2 times at the same price, like 26.75 now, previously 27. I'm just making a fool of myself completely, basically. I'm closing the trade down in manually with the loss. Again, doing the same thing for the second time. And I was just saying that Mark Douglas is saying that we should not do anything with the trade when it's open. And so that's what I'm saying. It's kind of a crazy Monday for me.
I try to tell you not to close it. I mean, 50% of that wick held, and we got a bullish SMT here as well. So I would 100% go stop to break even here, though, because if this thing comes back and wrecks this inversion, we're going to see the lows.
No, Jay, we are having a lot of subs on my OnlyFans page. Yeah, it's getting bigger and bigger now. That's what she said. So,
again, you want to see expansion here. We want to expand straight to this wick very, very quickly. Now, of course, you know, in terms of the time of day expansion, right? It's 4:30 in the morning, so butter and water don't mix. True. True. Yeah, I probably would have entered this trade off this retest of the inversion, rebalanced that 1-minute gap there at 524. I just didn't. I was actually looking at something. I don't even know what I was. Oh yeah, I was talking about the protected high, and I kind of missed it. But you want to see price kind of accelerate towards this high right here. That's what you want to see. But you know, again, I would be stopped to break even here 100% at 525 on that retest.
You know what? I just don't care about this trade anymore. I'm really going to leave this as it is. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But I'm not going to take partials. If I'm not going to take partials on this and just let it ride to my original target at 73, I'm not just going to climb out from the hole, but I'm going to be in a nice little profit there. So I'm okay with this. I'm just going to leave this.
And nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Well, Tom and I, we trade 2 different strategies, right? We trade different R's. We trade different ways. So, like, he's comfortable with not moving the stop, but based on what I do, I would move the stop.
Yeah, Myth is jumping in, and he's securing the risk. I mean, securing the profit and the capital. He's playing it safe, basically.
Well, we haven't really moved enough to take profit yet. I would at least take 10 points. So 535, maybe scale 534. Or scale off a little bit there if you're able to. You snooze, you lose. That's right. You got to be in it.
Exactly. You snooze, you
I'm not
lose.
in it.
I like it.
But I am in profit. Let's go.
That's all that matters.
We're up $122 on an Eval, and we're up $114 on our MyFundedFutures starter funded account.
Oh yeah, by the way, I got this question. So you cannot buy any more legacy accounts at MyFundedFutures.
Yeah. Friday was the last day.
Yeah.
Which I did forget to put out a little notice. I meant to put out a little notice on that. But what color is the Bugatti? Silver. Silver.
Dimension, it's Methodical Man. It's Methodical Man. He used to appear on MyFunded TV as well, and he streams too on YouTube. So we used to do some joint streams. Well, not nowadays. I mean, last time we did it was well, it was a couple of months ago last time.
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a while since then, but
Yeah.
I've been trying to get you on, but you're just such a popular man.
Oh
You
yeah,
know,
sure.
you're everywhere else. I can't
Oh
find you. I
yeah,
can't
sure.
find time. No, I've been wanting to get up and do a London session, but like finding the motivation to wake up at 1:45 a.m.
Well, that's why you need to
is
put a
tough.
picture of me next to your bed. You know, that's the motivation for you. That's all you need.
Oh, that makes me go to sleep.
Ah, I see. Okay. Well.
Tom, actually, it's kind of funny you said that because I'm going to be completely honest here.
All right.
There's been mornings where I wake up at like 2 a.m. and I can't go to sleep, and I literally will put Tom's stream on for a little ASMR, and I'll go to sleep. I'll go right to
Really?
sleep.
That's all I'm good for. ASMR. All right. All right.
A little ASMR from Tom's stream right there.
All right.
Put
Well,
me right to sleep.
maybe that's what I should do. Like bedtime stories with Tom. You know.
Bedtime stories. The dragon, or I don't know what
Yeah.
it is.
The story of the dragon and methodical man.
Yeah. Content hunter. I'm from the United States. I live in Georgia. So we're on the East Coast, Northeast Georgia. That's where we're from. So kind of tapped into that 5-minute gap again, got a little bit of a bearish reaction. Story of the London session when no volatility puts you right to sleep. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
If there's nothing else going on, what are you going to do,
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
My name is Methodical Man.
His real name is unknown,
Methodical Man.
Methodical man.
No, my real name is Alan.
Really?
I couldn't
I was
be
calling you
like
Bob
Tom.
last time. All right. It's fine.
Bob. Tom, you didn't know my real name, really?
Of course I knew.
Yeah, I don't hide it. I don't hide it.
Well, no one would guess my real name, so that's a good thing.
I know your real name.
No, you don't.
Oh, I do.
No, you don't.
No, I for sure do.
I know.
I don't know if I can say it right.
Yeah, see, I told you, you don't know. That's a good thing.
What's the middle name, Tom?
I can't say that. That's a secret. It's a secret.
Here, I'll post my YouTube channel. Why not? We'll post Tom's over here as well.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, I totally forgot that. Let me just post it here. Where's Miss channel?
I got it. I'll post yours and mine as well.
Here's Myth.
People don't know who
Myth
you
channel. Yo, hello, Teacher FX. What's up?
Udisco likes Savannah, Georgia. Savannah's a nice place. If NQ retest off the fair value gap again, aiming for 23,509.
I just lost connection.
Maybe. What a friendship, one doesn't know the real name. I know Tom's real name.
Oh, he doesn't know. He doesn't know.
I just can't say it on
No, he just doesn't
YouTube.
care.
I know his first name, his last name. I know his Udaman Content Hunter. I know his address. I know his social security number if he has one. I don't know. I don't know what y'all call it in Europe.
Basically, but who cares about that?
I don't know what they call it in Europe.
We call it in Hungary. We call the social security number is TAG number. TAJ number.
TAJ.
Yeah.
Malil Basim, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, I don't know what you call it. I know y'all got something similar. So this is where I would be scaling at. This is 1R at 530, 450. So I would be scaling there. And then again, stop at break even. You kind of want to see it just blast through this wick at 538, but it's not doing it so far. It's taking its sweet time.
Sweet time.
Mr. Andy, you the man. We are doing a giveaway over here, Tom.
Oh, really?
We're doing a giveaway for a free Apex any size evaluation.
Free Apex any size evaluation. You doing it with a cash
Exclamation point
thing, or how you do it?
cash.
Cash. Okay.
Yeah, exclamation point cash.
Nice. And we should do something too.
You've got all those accounts over there, Tom, to give away.
I wanted to do it with the video, but
I just give mine away during the stream. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't like.
the thing is, I mean, yeah,
make
no, the thing is with the take profit trader accounts that I want to give away, I want to make sure that, you know, when the winner, I mean, actually wins the account, how can, I mean, the support is a little bit slow with take profit trader. We all know that. So last time I tried to, you know, get support to help me out with this. It took 2 weeks, and that was partially the cause of the delay. It took almost 2 weeks to have a reply from Take Profit Trader to how that they can actually you know, put these accounts for a giveaway. And you know, if someone wins, yeah, if someone
who are you emailing? You must be emailing the wrong person.
No, I mean, there's a common email like partners@TakeProfitTrader or something like that. I don't even know who that is because 2 different person replied to me last time. So it took them 2 weeks to reply to me that I can give away those accounts. So I also told them that's awesome, but if somebody wins on an account on my stream, you know, it would be a little bit odd to wait for another 2 weeks to have that account registered to someone. So how to speed this up, you know, because that would be just.
I mean, I don't know, Tom. I get a response in like an hour or 2.
Oh,
I don't know who you're messaging.
I was sending emails to affiliate partners, but anyway,
that's where I send it to, and I mean, they respond in like an hour.
All right.
I don't know. I give my stuff away quick. I mean, like they do. I don't know. I've never had it take that long. I don't know. Who is that? Kevin? Kevin wants to know, why do I not have a thick Georgia accent? Do I not? Tom, do I have a thick accent?
I don't know what accents do Georgian citizens have.
So I would be stopped to break even there. That's why I scale at 10 points. You know, that went like 10 points and a quarter, depending upon your entry. You think I have a thick accent, you're from Florida. See, there we go. It just depends. Barely noticeable. I don't know. Probably because I've been listening to Tom, so now I'm trying to learn the Hungarian accent.
Yeah, that's what we do.
See, Visible ID said, I received the TPT account that I want on your stream within a few hours.
Oh,
see?
Okay.
What's up, JC? Thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. Yeah, I don't know, Tom. I mean, I guess maybe it might have been during one of those times where they were having a difficulty, but they've been much quicker lately.
Well, let's hope so.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I think you're okay I think you'd be fine, you know. I don't think it would be crazy slow. But who knows?
Be crazy,
you never know.
Slow, right?
Yeah, it should be all right. I don't know. I do like the places that just give you the code, though. I'm a fan of that. Just give me a code so I can pass it on to the next person.
Which platform is doing that? Nobody.
Well, I get codes from Apex. I got codes from TRADEDAY. MyFundedFutures, obviously, they do the account giveaways very quickly. I've had those happen usually within an hour or so.
That's good.
So nice and quick.
That is good.
This is what I was talking about, how if this inversion fails, we're going to move quickly to this low. And that's what we're getting here. Now, I would have ignored this inversion if we did not have triple equal highs.
Now it's going down. Now it's going down.
Yeah. So this inversion's failing. So now maybe we sweep into that 492, rebalance that 15-minute gap and go higher.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Most likely. It seems like it.
Where are you from, Kevin? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Coop's from the Midwest. Nice. New Hampshire. Wow. What up, Mystic Rick? See that 5-minute gap, the market definitely knows this 5 minutes. I mean, even though it's a tiny 5-minute gap,
Yeah.
it definitely knows that it's there. Easier to say Boston.
Dark Cloud, good to see you. Sorry.
Tom's going to come to the United States. He's flying into Vegas. I didn't even ask him.
I will.
Tom, you got to come. You got to come to Vegas in January.
Oh, I want to. You know, that's a
We're going to be
must.
having a meetup. I think it's going to be in January. 0 Day Jay is going to be doing it, and pretty sure it's either going to be January or February. We're going to have a little bit of a meetup there. Cove should be there.
I need to book the tickets, man. I need to.
I don't know how long of a flight it is from Hungary to Las Vegas.
It's quite a bit of a flight. It will be like 14 hours or something.
Camille says if you stop in Australia, you can sleep over with Camille. Actually says you can sleep with me, Tom. Ugh.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if Pine's going to be there or not. He should.
How about Nutty Boy?
I'd imagine. I doubt Nutty goes. I don't know how much of a fan Nutty is of Jay's anymore. My stream appears to be lagging a little bit. My internet recently has kind of sucked, so hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it can last the full 12 hours.
You had problems with your connection like last year as well, or this year, I don't know.
For sure. It's just never, it's never, I don't know. It's just never worked that great. Is this a Paygorn stream? What is that? Yeah, Coop, it should be a lot of fun. We'll probably get some poker going. I know Tom's brushing up on his Pokers for Dummies book.
I'm trying to do that, so,
So there are many Bobby dolls in Vegas. Tom will like them for sure. Baby dolls? Bobby dolls? Tom, you're going to bring the fiance to Vegas with you?
Of course, definitely. She wants to see everything there.
Oofka. Oofka. You thought YouTube only allowed? No, Jonathan, I've done 12 hours before. It will only show like 11 hours and 45 minutes, but yeah, it does. It'll let you do 12 hours. Tom's going to be the next to do the 12-hour stream.
I will.
Yeah, he's going to knock it out. 24 hours in his birthday suit.
I really should do that, man. That would be funny.
I think if we lose 5-10 here, Tom, we sweep the wick at 5-10. We probably run down into that whole number quickly here.
Yeah, it should be a quick one. I mean, this is just crazy. The whole morning for me was kind of crazy.
It's only been in a 30-point range for the last 2 hours and 6 minutes. So really kind of choppy. Very choppy.
Yeah.
John D said, Tom is a good guy for sure. He's in Europe also. Tom,
nice.
Get Tom in the ice bath.
Yeah, I wanted to try that actually. I don't know if it's safe or not. Is it a safe thing to do?
So Tom, I did a survey last week, or my poll last week was on Friday.
What was it about?
Would you I didn't want to say this on MyFundedFutures TV, but I feel comfortable saying it here.
Okay.
So the question was, would you rather have a fart in a jar from Pine Tree Trader or a bottle of Cove's bathwater?
Oh man.
And surprisingly, the fart in the jar won.
That's sure crazy. Why. That's just absolutely crazy, man.
And Pine Tree said he's not sure why the fart in the jar would win. He said, I guess it depends on what he ate that day.
Well, yeah, it absolutely counts. Yeah.
Depends on what he ate. Andreas is long. Good luck, sir.
Well, on the 1 minute, we're still kind of like in this strange
Yeah, we're in the 30-point range. We're still holding the bottom there.
Yeah.
So
We're
if you
still
are going to
holding.
long, this is kind of a spot to long, but like, you know,
it could be dangerous.
Could be dangerous for sure. This could rip lower. You never know.
Yeah. In a
All
second.
right, Tom. What's for breakfast this morning?
Well, the thing is, I haven't eaten breakfast this morning. That's the problem. So I need to need to do something about that.
And also, if you watch that Bread Gang video, they had the famous goulash.
Oh yeah,
I'm hungry.
Yeah. That's most likely
That's
everywhere.
They sought out the famous goulash.
The famous.
Actually, yeah, I don't know if you've ever watched them before. The 20 versus 1,000 is pretty interesting.
No, I haven't really watched them, but I want to say that if anyone wants to have a good place to eat goulash, I know where to go. So I know exactly.
There are a lot of. Is it expensive in Hungary or no?
No, it's not. It's cheap. It's cheap. Basically, I hate to say this because it's uncomfortable, but I mean, but the problem is that it's a cheap food basically, and you know, all those restaurants at the center of Budapest, like everybody wants to eat goulash, and they're just basically ripping off people with a lot of money for that food because it's basically not an expensive food to make. And so anyway, right. I know much. I mean, those places are great. Don't get me wrong, and tastes good and everything, but the price is extremely high for that food. And I know better places where it's even more tastier and classier. So anyway. But it's for the tourists, you know.
For the tourist.
Yeah.
The party people.
The party people. Yeah, for the party people. So,
party people.
One thing's for sure, the restaurants in the center of Budapest, they are absolutely 100% ripping off everybody because super expensive. You can eat the same food and even better food, for example, in my town, which is like 90 kilometers from Budapest. We do have some nice restaurants. You can eat for at least the third of the amount of money and even more, like more tastier and everything. So anyway, it's just a rip-off at the center there. But anyway,
I gotta fly into Budapest and come visit Tom. You see that futon behind Tom? That's where I'll be sleeping.
Exactly. That's gonna be our place here.
Yeah,
that's gonna be your place
on the futon.
Yeah.
While Tom is streaming, you'll just see me in the background.
Oh, for
sleeping.
For sure.
I'll say, Tom, draw the shades, bro. I need a little. Gotta be dark in here.
And I'll be like, I don't care. It is what it is.
Yeah, I do enjoy Tom's vlogs. For some reason, YouTube doesn't let me know when you post sometimes. So I think I recently commented on one that was like 2 months ago.
Oh, I think I saw that. That was just a short video. There was a food festival in Budapest. And so we went up there, had a good time. But yeah, it was good.
I don't always see it. So. Oh, well, all right, Tom, before you leave, let me do the drawing. Tom, why don't you jump in and see if you can win an account?
I totally, by the way, I did set it up and I didn't start it yet. Sorry, I'm going to try to give away a 150K Take Profit Trader account. All right, let's try it.
All right, I'm entering that one for sure.
Yeah, let's try it. How do I start this? Because, hold on. 150K Take Profit Trader test account. Let me just start.
I just entered. I tried to enter right there.
I haven't started yet. I thought that it's not with exclamation mark cash. I changed it.
Oh, okay.
I changed it.
Yeah. Well,
hold on.
Is it what I entered, Tom? Is that what it is?
Almost. All right, let me start. Okay, giveaway started. Exclamation mark TPT. Basically, 150K. 150K Take Profit Trader account. Test account.
Oh.
Now what I cannot promise that it's gonna happen today, but the thing you need to have in order to win the account is to have a registration at Take Profit Trader. Okay, everybody gets one ticket. So
right.
So you need to have an active registration with Take Profit Trader.
Right.
And what else? And yeah, so I'm gonna
That's it.
email. And yeah, that's it. And I'm going to send an email to Take Profit Traders support. Maybe Methodical Man can help me out who to email to. And
just don't wait 2 weeks to send the email.
no,
next
I'm
time.
sending it right away. I'm sending it right away after the stream. So, and that's the only way we can do this, I think. Carlos,
I think I'm
thank you
gonna
for
do the
a sub.
giveaway. I'm gonna do the giveaway in 4 minutes on my channel. So for the exclamation point cash for the Apex any size eval account. We did just create another inside bar here on the 5 minute. I do think it takes us to the low.
So exclamation
Let's
mark
see.
TPT, everybody, and the winner. I'm gonna send an email of the winner to support right after the stream, and that's it. Hopefully, they are going to transfer that credit to your account.
It'll be quick, I'm sure.
Yeah,
Within reason. I mean, 24 hours, you know.
Within 24 hours, yeah.
Yeah, it should be within reason. All right, here we go, Tom. I think we're about to blast lower here. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Sweeping that wick, ES at the lows. Again, I'd really like to see ES test that 67 level. Still holding support here at the freaking 510s. Just can't break it.
Interesting.
Andreas wants a free account, please. Mystic Rick, it's exclamation point cash in my chat. Man, it's not going. Look, it's just holding up there.
Yeah, kind of crazy that it's not doing it.
I was fully expecting it to move lower.
Yeah, me too, but it seems like it's just not going to be one of those days that it does what we want. It's kind of a crazy Monday.
I might. I don't know, man. I didn't even look at the news today for the New York session.
A little bit annoying.
Didn't even look.
A little bit annoying to see this price action, that's for sure. But
Mystic Rick, the TPT giveaways over at Tom's channel there. I just posted the link.
oh yeah.
Jump over there to Tom's channel, exclamation point TPT in Tom's chat. Thank you, Dark Cloud. You demand. Our order blocks over here. That's why we're bouncing to the upside. Yeah. I mean, if you zoom out to the left for sure, kind of see that big one. I do think, I mean, I want to see us rebalance that 15-minute gap and then move up from there. We got here. Tak Wee Hyan. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand.
Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna. I mean, I'm just actually curious now how this price action is gonna end up.
Tom, I think you should full port short.
Yeah, I think I should.
15 mini short. I mean, you could short here. Stop's only like 10 points. I mean, through the low, I expect a little expansion into like the 90, 95 area if we can get it. If we sweep that 07 level, let's see if we can push. Yeah, upon where, well, Tom's not up early. Tom's up when he's supposed to be up.
I usually stream from this hour. Yeah, usually. Oh, there you go.
It's probably on later. There's the sweep of the low.
Yeah.
A sweep of the low. Let's go.
The sweep happened finally.
Does it move up from here? I mean,
Mr. K, thank you for subscribing.
So, Tom, what is your favorite flavor of KY jelly?
Favorite flavor of KY jelly?
I see recently they came out with the Krispy Kreme flavor, the donut shop Krispy Kreme. I don't know if y'all have those over there.
We don't, actually. We don't.
Dark Cloud said WTF. Hey, listen, I'm not saying what he uses it for. I'm just asking him what his favorite flavor is.
I have no comment on that because I don't know that. So what can I say?
No. What he does in the confines of that futon over there
Listen, that's only
is
my
his
secret.
business.
That's my business. That's my secret.
Yeah.
And only the OnlyFans know about it. Nobody else.
Only the subscribers.
Only the subscribers at OnlyFans. Nobody else.
So, Starbucks and McDonald's is the only U.S. thing they have in Europe. Oh, really?
We have Burger King
Interesting.
and KFC. And Burger King, KFC, Subway. What else?
Nice job, Dark Cloud.
We
Burger
have
King, I know you have yeah, I saw the KFC.
Yeah, we have 87 participants already, so let's push it.
They when I was watching the Bread Gang video, they said there's a ton of massage parlors over there.
Oh, everybody. Yeah, a lot of.
All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. It's 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and pull mine. And let's see here. Oh, that was kind of loud. Where's my Streamlabs at? I can't. Okay. It won't move. All right, I was trying to get the Streamlabs over here so I can pick the winner. Oh my goodness, I can't see it. I gotta refresh.
You gotta put an exclamation mark to that TPT. Exclamation mark TPT SDJ Gaming. SD Gaming, sorry. To the front.
Mr. Andy. All right, let me see if Mr. Andy got in there. Here, try one more time, Mr. Andy. I'm gonna let you get in. One more time. If Mr. Andy is here. Is he already in there?
I butchered up this evaluation account totally. This is an Apex Eval, and I'm down $655 on this Eval. That's how much I tried to force this long position, and I'm down on a trade day evaluation account. I'm down. Hold on, I'm down $400 on a trade day eval. So that's what it costs if you really want to force your trade, and it's just not happening.
All right. Well, I tried to give Mr. Andy a shot to get in there, but he's not. Mr. Andy, you need to do exclamation point cash one more time. You did it right as I hit close entries. Hurry up. You got like 30 seconds.
Oh, I want that too. There you go. I want the money.
Soup with the 507 could be interesting, Tom. It looks like it's ripping.
Yeah.
Did it get you in there? Okay, it did. All right. Okay. Prophesia. Did you get a ticket? Or are you already in there?
All right.
Yeah, we might go up now.
Let's see. I don't know.
Still would like to see us.
Carlos, this is a great question. Right now, it's just, we did not go down to that 500 at this point because basically we're out of the kill zone. I would be very careful to go long. I mean, it can go. I still like that 573. I will be curious for the rest of the day if it goes. I like to see it go there. But I most likely it's going to sweep more liquidity. That's what it seems like it.
Anha Sabelgunst has won the free account. Are you here? Anha Sabelgunst.
Congratulations.
I'm mispronouncing that.
We have 103 participants already. I'm going to close this giveaway down soon too. So exclamation mark TPT to get in to the 150K Take Profit Trader test account giveaway. Now, one thing you need to know about this test account, it is not a forever free thing. It's only going to be valid for 60 days. You cannot reset it. I think you can reset it maybe, but it's going to expire in 60 days. Okay, so that's the thing. It's going to expire in 60 days.
All right, I need Anha Sabelgunst. Let me see if I can at them. Let me see. Oh, there's Anha. I was about to say pinch it off. Anha, please send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com and include a screenshot of your YouTube channel just showing you logged in. Click on your name here. Get a screenshot of your YouTube channel showing you logged in. Send it over to me, and I'll get you the code for a free Apex account. Congratulations.
And by the way, you know what? If this giveaway is going to work out nicely, I'm going to give away another one tomorrow, and after tomorrow, and after tomorrow. How about that? If you guys want to join.
And I'm going to win today, tomorrow, and tomorrow.
That's what Methodical does. Yeah. So, yeah, the winner, I'm going to post my email as usual. You send me your email what you registered with Take Profit Trader. That's important. So that's the only way you can get this account if you win. You send me the email that you registered with Take Profit Trader, and they are going to get the credit to your credit bank account there on your dashboard. That's how it's going to work. Okay. Week of giveaways.
How you doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
A week of giveaways. Let's go. He's got Take Profit Traders accounts. He's got MyFundedFutures.
I got promised by MyFundedFutures that I can give away scale accounts and core accounts. So
perfect.
I just don't know how much, but it's going to be something like 5, maybe more. So
yeah, I gave away 5 over the last week.
Yeah. So they told me last time I can give away 3 core and 2 scale accounts, but I'm going to ask for more. Maybe they give me more. Let's see.
Yeah, why not? I mean, I always say it doesn't hurt to ask.
Actually, I'm definitely behind because I haven't really followed the other hosts at MyFunded TV. But for example, Matt, he's giving away also a lot of MyFundedFutures accounts on his stream. Like almost every second week, he gives away a bunch of MyFunded accounts. So that's kind of cool. So nice. I was like, man, I'm way behind in this giveaway, so I'm gonna ask for more. So make sure.
Bought tuna for a guy asking for it outside the grocery store today. It helped my trading.
Nice. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I think we're almost 132 people already, 133 participants. Don't forget, the only way if you win, if you have a registered account at Take Profit Trader. Don't forget, if you are in a restricted country, you got to check with Take Profit Trader, because even if you win, they might not be able to give you the account. So you got to watch for that. Okay, otherwise all is good. Okay, let's just do the giveaway, right? Because let's just do it. I'm closing.
Good luck, everybody.
I'm closing down the entries. Right. All right, 3, 2, 1. Closing the entries now. All right, close the entries. Piano Trader, do you have? Oh my God. Okay, let's resume. Piano Trader again, and Mick too. Mick and Piano Trader. Do it again.
Screw the Bears. I like that. I like that name.
Let's wait for Piano Trader. Okay, Piano Trader has it. Mick, I don't know. Maybe Mick already has it earlier. Everybody gets 1 ticket. All right. All right. Closing it down.
Except for me, I used my bot. I've got like 50 tickets.
You like? Okay, 50. I know. That's good. All right. So closing down. Okay. No more entries. And covering the chat. Let's start this. The winner of this $150,000 Take Profit Trader test account, 60 days expiration, so you have time to trade 60 days, is no other than the one, the only. Let's see the winner. K Belly, congratulations.
Hey Bell, all right.
K Bell, sorry. K Bell, K Belly. I don't know how to pronounce it properly.
This earlier.
Congratulations for K. for the 150,000 United States dollars take profit trader test account. All right. Congrats.
Or you've got two options. You can either take the 150K account, or Tom will send you 150,000 for rent.
Yeah, we can do that.
One or the other.
Congratulations.
I'm not sure I don't know about the value of that.
Well, who knows? Okay, congratulations. That is awesome. Good job. Let's see.
Yeah, that's what Bread Gang was saying. They were like, "Oh, Hungary is like the only country that still uses like their own currency."
Oh yeah,
in Europe.
we are, and Romania, Hungary, and Poland, and I don't even know who else. Nice. That's crazy. I wasn't even going to do it. Oh, well, it's better late than never, right? Okay, so here's my email. Okay, send me your email, or send me the email that you are registered with Take Profit Trader. Okay.
Or one other option, Tom, that was mentioned in my chat over here. Or you could send Kay some bath water.
But that's more expensive. I don't know. That has
$79.99 value.
That's a bonus. $79.99.
Okay. Send your address, Kay. Bathwater incoming.
Yeah, we're doing it. All right. Jokes aside, congratulations. And yeah, definitely let me know your email at Take Profit Trader. What I can say for everybody else is, if we can do this again tomorrow, right? And after tomorrow, and after tomorrow, and even after tomorrow, and after tomorrow, and after, even on Sunday and Saturday. Who cares?
Every single day.
Every single day. I mean, we have
new
some
giveaways.
Accounts. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. What is happening? Are we going down to 492?
Oh, here we go. I'm waiting.
There you go.
Look at that.
There you go.
There's the, do we tap it? There we go. We tapped it. So if we recover 500 here, I'm probably going to long for a run into 510 on my funded account.
Good job.
I'm going to see here.
Oh my gosh, I haven't even checked it. It's already, oh wow, it's already 5:12. I haven't seen. Time is flying.
It's late for you.
It's not late for you. Actually, it's lunchtime for me. Almost lunchtime. What's the time at your place?
It is 5:12.
Oh, 5:12. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in Eastern.
You're in Eastern. Okay.
But just go for 5 points. I'm going to go for 5 points. If we get back above 500. If you're up 2.5K Dark Cloud, I'd be walking away.
Yeah. That definitely. With 2.5, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, this could still move lower. I really would like to see ES test 67. It pulled back to 68.50 right now. There's not really anything else in here over here to the left. We're just in this 15-minute gap. Maybe it wants to dig deeper into it or not. What do you think, Tom? A recovery of the 500 level, we squeeze into like 510, 515?
Honestly, I lost faith in this price action right now. I'm a little bit confused. I think, let me just see this. Let me put a rectangle here with the midpoint. Yeah, so the midpoint kind of here on this 15-minute. Yeah, we can go still down to like somewhere around 417, 418. And on the 5-minute, this beautiful textbook demand zone is starting at 333.75.
Right.
So that would be an ultimate target if this one would sell off. I just lost faith right now in this recovery. especially because we're out of the kill zone, but obviously it can happen. I managed to observe that sometimes around 6 or 6:30 Eastern Standard, there used to be kind of a shift during the day. So
Right.
we could be seeing a push higher, but maybe not now. Maybe only after like 6:30 somewhere.
Anha, I got your email. Just to verify you, what's the last letter in your email? What's the last letter? Keep it simple. I mean, not really getting a really huge bullish reaction here. Mr. Greek said m.com. No. Oh. E. All right, perfect.
All right. There's a bit of a bounce here.
Yeah, I'm looking for a long here, Tom. I'm thinking of longing right above 500.
Hmm.
I want to see it push here. Just want to take a long just for a little 5-point scalp if we can get it. All right, I'm going to send you the code in just a minute there, Anha. Any size evaluation Apex account. Chasen, what's my strategy? Buy low, sell high. But with all seriousness, I like to take inversions. I'll soup areas. It just depends on the time of day. But during New York, usually like I'll take inversion trades. All right, Tom, what's for lunch?
Good question. I'm gonna have to check it. There's a nice restaurant not far from here.
What's the warden fixing? When you tell her next time, when she says, "What do you call me on your stream?" Say the warden.
The warden.
You do you know what a warden is?
I know. He's the boss at the jail, right?
The boss of the jail.
Yeah.
She's got you locked up. She's the boss.
She's the boss. As usual. Yeah, very choppy markets right now. Hey, DPK. Hey, thank you so much for the support, DPK. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Donovan, I don't normally trade outside New York very often. I'll trade sometimes Globex or Asia, but not too much in London. So I'm just, today's stream is just a special stream.
Hold on, a quick phone call here.
Hello?
Huh?
Oh.
No. I'm being called. Just a second.
All right. Who do you guys think is calling Tom? I think it's probably somebody from MyFundedFutures TV telling him he's been terminated. Termination is key. No, I'm just kidding. The stripper? Yeah, it could be. The warden's calling Tom. Barbie. He's probably getting a call from Daryl Strawberry. Anybody get that joke? Daryl Strawberry? Yeah, John, I'm normally sleeping this time. I'll probably be when I get off the stream later this afternoon, I'll definitely be zonked out for a while. We'll be zonked out. We're only 3.5 hours in, still got 8.5 hours to go. We'll stream until 1:40 p.m. 1:45 p.m. Eastern. Daryl Strawberry's on the phone. Anybody know who that is? Abel's making the call for the free account. All right, Paul. Good night. Got to get that free account in there. The baseball player. He is. He is. Let's just Google Daryl Strawberry. Let's Google Daryl Strawberry. Daryl Strawberry. I'm sure I'm misspelling his name. Are you going to go snowboarding? Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Man, I didn't know Daryl Strawberry had this many health issues. You could use a TPT account too. Yeah. Yeah, it has TRADEIFY. They have TRADEIFY. Daryl Strawberry was known for a few things.
The market makers told me that this one not gonna do anything. They finished with the job, so this is just gonna go sideways. Yeah.
Sideways. All right.
Sideways. Just sideways action. Kay, did you send
We were just talking about we were just talking about Daryl Strawberry.
Daryl Strawberry. What is that? Kay, thank you. I received the email.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, Daryl Strawberry. We were just talking about him.
Okay, Kate. I'm going to send an email to Take Profit Trader. Myth, I don't know which email were you using for Take Profit Trader for the giveaway support. Let me just
partners at Take Profit Trader.
Okay, I was using the same as well. Anyway, okay, I'm going to send them this one, and hopefully, okay, they will do this in 24 hours. That's what I can tell you. If in 24 hours nothing is happening, just get back to me, and I'm gonna send another email to them. All right, that's it.
I went ahead and sent you the code there. Yeah, still has not quite made it to 67. I'll get it back to you quickly.
I think I'm gonna take off, everybody. But I'll be back before or sometime around the New York Open. So yeah, so far that's it. This was a very unique and awesome, fun stream with Methodical Man. I really enjoyed it. And yeah.
Yeah, Tom, appreciate you joining me. You know, definitely helped keep me awake.
I thought you were gonna fall asleep or something. I don't know.
You never know, right? You never know.
You never know. All right. Everybody, appreciate for everything. You can see my code up there on my stream. You can use it. Obviously, you can use Myth's code as well. We are basically doing the same business here. Always support your favorite streamer. Yeah. And obviously, it's me. I know. No. I'm better looking.
It is for sure, Tom.
I'm better looking. That's it.
100%. Depends on who you ask.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll be back for New York Open, everybody. And here's my theme song. Everybody requested it, so have an awesome rest of the day. Have a good one, Myth. See you later.
All right, we'll see you, Tom.
All right, cheers, everyone.